Right.
Amen.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning, Back of Brown.
Me ba chere for saying.
Pacho Doni is Legono Bojo.
Ma minti wa no pay.
Back of Anna Power, the Yamiasi Ma Adipa be at ye. Misada na to say, and I am so day. On farming call, on farming bra, or you to team. Amen.
Amen. Me da say what to be a friend. Good morning.
DJ Hitman.
Me ba chere for saying.
The very step. Kasafi Sakmono.
Ye na Nyankopon se na pay.
Danya Masi saw my department. Many me bushia. And ne Dakoma only bushia. Ne Sami B. Ishiraba. And it dear tearful in Dakoma. Unya me wada na sama me.
Right. My tip me that's a papa 059340 6565 0534 050 199 and pay ye den Nyankopon se na domunti ye tinkwamu moja die mo afro sane na tachema da bodwema ya dumbi na abadom so. Hello, good morning.
Mini amakio
Asante Zongo
papa
and pay ye den Nyankopon se
ayo ya da so hini no asi Ghana bofo pa on my winti etin krofo amazo omu jimi no ebi ma ye ha Nyankopon abo ya man from apa a odi ama ye humi ebi pa bi so adwen boni omo ma ho mframa ni nyina ye kan na ni nyina mu so no omo ye kidni mu masem o twedi ampon ye da wasi o amen.
Amen. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wabaya ejewa magi
Wabodin no.
Anope.
Ye to no me dia bewi.
Ye na Nyankopon se.
Yo, kwamra na yo krada. Nyame nshira.
Amen.
O ma nkwane ahoden. Anope mi da urade ase wo bambo ne hwe so pa urade de ahwe yem. Ya da yo. Na humi ebi mpo ni yemu. Urade na asha bofo mo wanya ne ya home nkwa home agu yemu. Ya yo krati ase fomoje edi yemu afu sane etekrema da bodwe mu na no pe ya. Ya mfana se da ni de biarada. Ye da na se wa bambo a wabo yen. Ye da na se wo hwe so pa wa sa ye ne ye busuya nyinara. Me ne me ma ne me nana no mi fi pamfo. Urade enya wo yen. Kwamana woni wa busuya. Kofi ne na busuya, same ne na busuya. DLFM abusuya kasi ya ye nyina de ye ho adedom. Awurade nka mo nyina ho no nsa bofo ma modi fini mo fi banya sumdiem. Collection so. Awurade mo ye nyina ho ban. De be yo hawo ne akwansi de awurade nyi fi obi bia akwan na mofre ye. De mofre nyina se Yesu boje mo. Awurade ma won boja ne mo mofre nyina ho ban. Any youth empanifo ye de fini ye fi banya sumdie. Ena no pay so awurade aye na de ni bi. Wabie ne han fefe de ato yen so wanyi yesika wanyi yehwe wame ehunu enya na yasidan kuto ne kura ne se nkwa ye humi ya nto ye ntua wode ache ye nkwa enframen aw Yesu ye gawase ne ne wa ye adumti amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Me ba chere for saying.
Of I only teshi.
Of my minti wa no pay.
Yeah, ye de nyamiase so de ma bedu adwuma mu asomdwem. Sani esren se ne dua obi biara kwa kopena na aduan awurade ntutu na namon yi na be yo ha we sana men hu bia awurade mpemu onfa no ko ye bedu fia e dia ye na se amana. Amen.
Amen. Of ya ye that's a pastor won so what to me a 059340 6565. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, Hitman.
Me pacho Dixon Bada Kuni.
Pacho you.
Ye na Nyankopon se.
I say the Kilian point Nyankopon as one young mobile na ado and the ashen so there a catch and say and pay Yadanase. Yadanase ma ya semani o mangana o man pehene na abua fini na Yadanase. Ma DLFM my phone and a father by Hitman Sammy B. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning, Bakwabra.
Me pacho your first saying.
Dama kontu.
Mrs. Mintana pay na Nyankopon se.
Bakwabra no pay da nyame ase. I want to pan a bamboo there, boy. And pay a son sorry be a move. Say, I'm sorry, can you near and be Sebia, be Papa way? A ye bono to son of you, my sorry, to a sign the whole Shannon star. And where I won't buy. If you can eat a fever, I'll show you so strong. Your mom go school. Yeah, you're quite moo. Yes, run there, I didn't tell bamboo, and then she's so far. Bakwabra. Ano pay so on your way. Kasanti obi dem. Kasanti obi ne mame
ayasa kan twetwe obi ne yuri ayasa kan twetwe kasa ade efe ne kasa ne ede ba no se wo kasa na wan dwen ho a ne obeka no be wie no ntimi pepa mfiri ho da nti nipa bia no pe wo tie no ansa na abekasa no me nipa ogina weni mu ansa wa kasa yenhwe ya no kasa yie pa bako banya minsura
amen
onye okese onti na ni mo nkyerɛ
amen
then day na ne awde ye fam anopa mi ho adwuru me ne Awurade nkoso mbo ho ban ofi ko na ofi ba enye Awurade ade hiade o Yesu din amen
amen good morning
bra Governor
me ba chair for say
ama asia tini o afinya
mama na pay na nyankopon ase
na pay se da sa ko Awurade ase aye bebre na amaye na dom ni humobro na doye na afi so enda na pay titru mini mebusia enye papa bi na yaje ya nchen so enye ye ho bi na ye nim hwe dodo nti na ema ye ti ase ahwe nto ye ni humobro nti ne ye ka ekira safirade enda na pay na se ye da na ase me ma se o mo da na ase ni kunu se o da na ase mebusia nyina DL dmako nyina se o mo da safirade ase Ghana man nyina nti Awurade da wase adom ene nhuma bonti reka say amen
amen good morning
Hitman.
me ba chair for say
Some big in the Kata film shelter.
ana pay na nyankopon ase
Upon the Yamiasi, our mad, the pastor, Danasi, our yesterday. Amen.
Amen. 0593406565 0534 050 WhatsApp message, bra 0593406565 and I pay ye den yankopon ase wonandom and in the home bronti. Good morning.
Good morning, Governor.
Me ba chair for say
I'm going to no boys.
me ba chair no pay ye den yankopon ase
On a pay the Yamiasi, papa. Wadi wayama Ghana, I just wayama Mankasa. At the Yamiasi, Yamisu Shiro.
Amen. Me da sese wonso watu mi afre 0593406565. Jenna sawade the message about say how are you doing PSA kwabena. Thank God it's Tuesday and so my kids abna ne kwabena so they not forgetting PSA kwabena piaga the message about no pay what that nyankopon say. Piaga message what about also join here live on Facebook and also share link no more fufuro bin so etumi ahwebi anopai. Good morning.
Morning.
Me ba chair for saying
Actually, my Angela, me follow mo pa. Na me shira mo wade.
Amen.
Me shira mo dama. Me da Awurade ase mama na. Ene ma brabo. Ene mo amowo DL. Ebusia kuro nyina. Awurade nka mo. Ene abre nyina. Mo show na ebe. Me nkranhwe wo. Na me shira mo.
Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's a also what to me. After no pain, what was said that Eddie about 0593406565 0534 050 I not pay your den yankopon say. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pa chair for saying.
Me pa chair FM Sandra. Because I feel my freedom.
Sandra no pay your den yankopon say.
Jacob na my friends to me don't yankopon say. I want na dom ene na hu mobro. Ene ne ban ba wo mana ye kese o me ni mebusia yeso. E for da e say ufo na so sade ase. Na tetrema da abodwemu na se moja edi emu efusane na se ye hu e high first esise ya. Ya de eni shika de eni ebusia be ka ne se ye da asafo Awurade ase. Me don yankopon say e de mama ma freshla one ne mba ene ne busie ni nara na enkoso mbo mo ho ban abreni abribia me sada na me ase e de ma DLFM ejumayefo obia ene ne busia na ne ne busia sister sugar one ne busia me dan na me ase e de ma mo nyina monkwa Jacob na nya menka mo
right mate me da say good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa your frost say.
Oh, Hitman, your friend Mark Cassandra.
Mark Cassandra ma minti wanna pay.
Oh, yeah, the radio feels for my departure, I want a demo. Yes, if Papa to don't code this. Yes, then know what he's saying. I want to be bra. Why am I?
kasa twedi amponyankopom asedan kawde ya yensa yemfata nanso ama ye hu han fefefe ye kasa asafo yehowa ayeye ekafo etuntum enkawde me dawasi o wo mebusia precious fans ebusia dom nyina ye kasa asedan kawde Hitman, yeah, that's it. And we're footstool, and we send power so the brain. Tell them upon your coupon so, and well, not in any mutual. Mama, I send a shower from Mama and my entire. Amen.
Mama Cassandra, yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Morning.
You about your frosting?
Linda.
You, Linda, my means you want to pay.
And the parents for a radiant free. And the bamboo, the album in the Busia, now for no. Any more would dear, a day radias mamma. Mamma face a lot, a day radias money in a busia. And okay, then I say what they can say, why you're my game. So I boy your home by now, what you mean, I need to send me my home and I said, a day radias. Amen.
Amen. Good morning.
Morning, Head.
Me pacho, my master, Bibi Abokodia.
Adumo, near Shay,
Jedenya say, Yenen Copansia no pay.
And I no pay. Nyamia Sambu any high na to ye so yanto yan tia and I no pay yet to your winning our Shevradin, Sanfed your kitsa yemre nyina mu no. Nyame yada wase. Adumura yada wase. Nyamia ye bio. Na ye hwene nyame ye wo ya brabo mu a ebre enti ase ne ya adwen so. Yada na se Hitman. Yada na se na wama me hu adwiri mi asam a wo kan ye no. Ni mo obi anne Odem na no kasanti yada se nyame nkoso mwe wadwen mu na tembia ma ye nkranhye sam sa ebrade nka wo onhwe DLFM adwumayefo nyina so na nkoso mbom nyina ho ba ye ntime mbom nyina di maako baako nyame nhwe obi biara so Ghana man yade ne hyew ne nsanse onkoso na wonhwe ye so yada nyamia say wayebi Hitman nyamenka ho ate
Mate
nyamenhwe wo so maye
amen mama Esther me that say good morning.
Good morning
me pacho your frosting
idin the Kwame ese am tompa bo pamplam la
yo Kwame ana pay na Nyankopon ase
yo ana pay de nyamia se the shepa mama my Ghana so the frano onko so mayan enu sande nyamia se mawan kasa anu apapo ni sama mama ko ni ese abi sham de nyamia se mama yeren mmadụ na busina na me customers na se la de mo man customer ya beto biam ora sa me hwe na me hu na me kai ora adia waya o nyamie ejo nyam wonyame wo yo eye me se metia bibio Ama Jesus Kwame me dia imagine se metia bibio eye na domwa la amen obin twaso
right me that say good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba choma na so kakra ma me frosting.
Good morning. I'm Pacho FM Mercy. Very greatly.
Mercy ana pay na Nyankopon ase.
Me ba cha no pay me de nyame ase. Me de nyame ase se ma brabo ne me ma brabo. Me de nyame ase se won so wa brabo ni omo am guse de hom nyina brabo. Nyankopon hwem so. Non ka kai mo me biara. No mo ma hoden. Ahode enkwa wo, ahode ahoto wo. Yo tafuni be ye bia no, obeye kwa, obebregu. Idam ase. De radiase. The radiasma sister na near fear sugar Obia mo say the honina black amranzo ka ho and they were yelling mammy de Yakupon say on why your home binds are not sure so I did any answer be my nothing I actually didn't that's
amen yeah that's say young family no na fa pay young fast that young fancy 059340 6565 0534 050 and I'll pay your den Nyankopon ase woni da so wo homo bia adwumadi so good morning. Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa chef.
What you say?
I take comfort here.
Obia ho ye de.
Nyame adom ye ho ye papa.
yɛda Kristo ase. Anɔpɛ si yɛda Kristo ase. Ɔwɔ n'adɔe bebree bi a wasan dom yɛn, asan ma n'ade pa kɔnkɔn asan kye yɛ biom. Ɛnyɛ yɛ tumi na ɛnyɛ yɛ ahoɔden. Bata yɛ na nhumɔbɔ akwa. Anɔpɛ mi da Kristo ase ma me bia nkwa. Me ma me nana ma se. Me dɔfo nom. Any Roman, baby, I will be a midasman and qua. Any Moses or stadium hall. Yet that's it. Emma Munqua, our yes Christo dim. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. To come for 0593 40 65 65 0534 050 199 and that's what Obia and I pay ye that Yankopasi. Yanfa final call and affair. Nano pay as Sedano Yanfa NC. To number I want to walk friendly 0593 40 65 65 Mauli go car message what the no pay or say good morning Brakwabna. You're from me biggie watching live from Michelle Camp. I thank God for my life today. And then so I am so the Mauli messenger what the aba and pay and no Derek I eating so the message about was watching live from Enquires and pay what then Yankopan say. Good morning.
Good morning, Brakwabna.
Me back your first saying.
But your friend Teresa and Fresh Shires.
You Teresa Maminti wanna pay.
But your Midena Sima is for Christ Transforming Center. As for I was Doyum as mercy of God. Then you have man pastor, chance or Tichema. So there be a young woman who burn or 2 cars with him. And they are following what Doyum called the 25 years. The day I'm Kupas man, and in Ma, and in the Bushi in Nara. I think some there are just my dear Ford, my phone in Nara. And it means so any money me bushi and other ideas. So I saw my departure. Yadana Sika, Braga and Batosha, yes, I just send me.
Mate, make out you and Papa. Good morning. Hello, Debbie. Abusia, yen to me and fat calls and be maha and then now pay Yadia Seda, Yadibisi. And then you go pass Papa when them Sheswo and the Bamba. What the boy I said everyone my farmer Bwediwa Heba Center. Sabana Wahon sense ma wa would ye chia wunya word for nature Bwediwa Heba Center. And yame pa won so be wo afa ho afa oba. We wanna check when Madina Masalachi go filling station no e chi ho no ma ho nda be hu Bwediwa Heba Center. A won sense mo de what in say te nti won so bra na fe won so no bibia enkoyi emfama. Bwediwa Heba Center wana da Roma na no pay so frɛ ya wo de waseda e de ba ye you na kira kwan medical catch wo de da wo Madina Masalachi wo ben golf filling station no and then wo frɛ Bwediwa Heba Center o 0246 999 499 0246 999 499 wana daruma and then no pay ye da nyankopon se abra so ye de agodi mu nsɛm ba no pay all the latest in the world of sports local and international ye de ni nyina eba ene anopay agudi emunsem aye krado.
Now for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world on HBO pay-per-view, ladies and gentlemen, from Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, let's get ready to rumble.
Hello, Amade share your son for luxury comic too cute to be mute. Sado Power per Sports Papa Petia for feed to DLFM. I want a DL Power Sports. Echegu. I will Anidaso Wɔhɔ be a morning show. Ede Papa Pa near Koso we are here for any sports no. I want Echegu. DL Power Sports luxury comic. Me say for feeding into baby.
Yo, you don't know upness, highness, is it Nana Kujo Crunch, they get to be president. I know Pebia Miti DL Power Sports won him. Oh, Anidaso Wɔhɔ be a Jumediano, so Kujo Crunchini, Mamenti Poom.
One spring off. Now, if you want Sambra back, as I said, you're Medin Kunim. Bono Crama head it. I shall go, Muka go.
Of I shall go. Bismarck, I do say, AK man busy. Bismarck, Margin.
Brakwabna, good morning.
Good morning, Bibi Abokodia. And it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. And then I've been at that. And I'll pay a good year some dear Coso Ghana, New Yourself and then I mean, so I crado. Lumba in supernatural now what Adauroma, walk home, now the semi abretive for. Wubeni, man busy, young way.
Voila busuanti yamo achibiem na yamo akwa ba kwanson koso kran famra deal 106.9 megahertz so emra so yede agude mu nsam ana ebe so mo anopa dwumadi e friend say Anidaso Obia edwumadi ne so na bibia so akonka so joa what me godfather Mr. Hitman kan bra kwamna we no yebeka say happy so day pa ana en confirm godfather Mr. Hitman bra kwamna ana me di no common so kire wo dwumadi so na wo be join show no live on Facebook ya capital D capital L 106.9 na say when saka images reactions ni videos audio pina jade be suma no pa dwumadi so na bibia konkan we no champion kofitela ehye nyuma no na DJ Omarion power to the bumper and so at the images reactions so asomo e wo Facebook ne so bibia so konkan e wo dwumadi so asujua jenda Lumba super jenda masse sansa brano brebia trans say dia omo no so asen ya dia gudie mu nsam no amana ne nkomo efisam ni nyina so beguo na hu dia kwempo krane dia ba e wo dwumadi so makacho se Lumba super ne ye wo sachet form ana fe kwampo no bottle form intano pay enkwada na mu ko school no mommy poppy makacho ubejibi area she princess ani junior bagnim oko school amepacho didi wi omubobi bibi bia so kwankan yenso a ye didwa e wo market outdoor filling stations outdoor empokra no fitting shop mekire mechanics for no baby girls ne swan so no mo ba Lumba super ni bisashe no won se kan bi ububo bibi bia so kwankan jade ni nyina so ma e wo dwumadi esumidi no e de besima kadu sai wo frame man bi se mejo so and asekase nkoma mi able producers led by Pania je friend say Mr. Kwame Afumo therefore buon ponsem de hia no Kenetata Jesse Michael Awuno disika brantie ana fe kwampo no boro ama the fant Englishman nuanu wanyina e ka ubi na yasin konya anopa yade dwumadi e friend say agudie mu nsam dia passport e be somo e wo dwumadi kese so Anidaso Obia dwumadi enso bibi bia so konkan yan hyase a mamen kanche say na when e Champions League na me pacho UEFA Champions League games audio pina ho when e match number 7 unim say Champions League no ya dia league format mu me pacho match number 7 na ne bebo na 6 when e 4:30 club na friend say Karait Almaty e betre fiato ne safre club na je friend say Club Bridge na pacho Bodo Glimt enso ne Manchester City bebo sa game ne pass 6:45 ana mpokra na ade kan say 9 when e Copenhagen and the club na friend say Napoli Inter Milan and Arsenal sa game na big game komo pio jebeba jedi ni nyina so besomo e wo dwumadi enso won dia kompo krane dia ba na bibia so konkan Olympiacos ne club na je friend say Leverkusen so bebo Real Madrid betre fie na wato ne nsan so da fra AS Monaco Sporting CP ne Paris Saint-Germain Tottenham Hotspur and Borussia Dortmund Villarreal ne Ajax Galatasaray ne Atletico Madrid and club ne friend say Karabakh enso ne club ne friend say Eintracht Frankfurt Atlanta enso ne Athletic Club Bilbao Bayern Munich and Union Saint-Gilloise and Chelsea the Blues enso ne Pafos FC Juventus betre fie na wato ne inside the club na je friend say Benfica Olympique Marseille enso ne Liverpool sa game na big game Newcastle United enso betre fie St James's Park na wato ne inside the club na je friend say PSV Slavia Prague enso ne Barca ebebo no so enkoma efi oba jede ni nyina so ma na me no kasa kopiem enso e UEFA Champions League standings say na unkomote me pacho first say tunim so no automatic qualification into assistance after game number 6 say an community Arsenal ready kan ekita 18 points omono waye adwuma 100 over 100 won win 100% Arsenal Obia so timi share no e UEFA Champions League nim me kire 6 matches Arsenal bo watimi anya win e 6 matches ono Arsenal no wabo mi di san komoni pina enso so mo dwumadi so Bayern Munich to sumienu ekita 15 points Paris Saint-Germain ekita 13 points to sumiensa club na friends say we no e Atlanta enso ekita 13 points onso that fifth position Inter ekita 12 points enso ekita e 6th position na Real Madrid enso 12 points me no ka say 7th position Atletico Madrid enso ade kan say 8th position me no ka say 12 points na Liverpool e 12 points at the 9th position ana we no e Borussia Dortmund or 11 points ana me no ka say 10th position na Tottenham Hotspur e 11 position kita 11 points ano enso enkomo kakre fi oba jede enkomo ni nyina so somo e wo dwumadi enso ye fi o je mfa enkomo pina so somo maka kire se nya nwumrei big game ni so todwa enso e wade e kan se wono e Italy Inter Milan home ground omo so to omo sa enso free club na friend say Arsenal na Mikel Arteta Arsenal the Ghana set coach wedding komo Arteta see na men come obi bia no pay wodi ne kasa fide na to deal 10609 say club na friend say International Milan me pacho mo head coach na omo sa kamechira opanina je friend say Christian Eugene Kivo ono obeso Inter jumadi anim no ama Inter confidence akoso papa ne nanwume big game na baso na ne nyina mu no Arsenal say ana we no Arteta Mikel Arteta ana mitino nkomo wose ne club na side je friend say Arsenal oma ye ready say on be face club na je friend say Inter Milan yentie Mikel Arteta.
Well, a very similar context to last year. Obviously, where the two teams are at the moment is a bit different. New manager as well, that I think has given them some other things in their identity and the way they play. But obviously, we know a super competitive team, a team that is dominating the league, and a really tough game.
Fitness. Weye nkoma Arsenal the Ghana sweat coach opania je friend say Mikel Arteta edi jadi ni nyina sosomo odwumadie so na bibia so akwanka na ni makodana je friend say Monala Kanji me pa cho me no kasai weye former player so di ma club na je friend say Manchester City me no kasai die akwada ni di ni juma enso di ma club na friend say International Milano je twani tia friend say Inter Milan wadi nkomo unim say Premier cho ne opanina je friend say Christian Eugene Kivo ono ya head coach di Inter omono mokotena se eman sem trofon so teto na no na je bisa kwada ne se ene yo game against Arsenal ohu ne say after that kwan ye sa to so ebusan se Manchester City emoya dempa de ma Josep Pep Guardiola se ni defenders pra players awdo na pra enso yembusa mi Manuel Kanji empo se Manchester City to ne sa afro ni manime asa bra na che se bedi juma anase basom club na obekwa na yente nkoma Manuel Kanji
is one of the best teams in Europe. For me, they're not the best team at the moment, but they're definitely up there. So it's going to be a big challenge tomorrow, but I'm confident that we're ready for it. And no, there was no chance that I'm ever going back to City.
Yentino say Arsenal the Gunners there ohun say club no even though say name no ka say Champions League aye ball omanya 100 over 100 when 100% record say 6 matches are omo bonyina Arsenal watimi a share club bia no so ehia no nanso ni nyina mu no akwada na je friend say Monola Kanji si dabi onu ohun Arsenal say ene best club in Europe or say one of the best club but currently me no ka say the ono onjintum say ka say Arsenal and the best club in Europe akwada na friend say Monola Kanji sisan komo no ono onjintuma no enso ye komo akwada ni di ye yede komo ni nyina somo yesa busa ne sempo no ubekọ Man City wasida bi ono ohun no semasa animani mi obekọ Man City o ye happy enso o Inter Milan eno ye komo a Manola Kanji di jaye yede ni nyina sosomo no pai na wahu dia kompo kra ne dia ba ewo dwumadie so me pacho panina je fani se we no eye Christian Eugene Kivo me pacho me no kasai we ya head coach enso de ma International Milano when eye Inter Milan na mi komo opanina kasa o say Arsenal the Gunners one of the big club and so Europe entiana omani ni kwehia no omon toto Arsenal say opani friend say Christian Eugene Kivu.
Arsenal is one of the top club in Europe with whatever they spend in the last years, whatever they showed lately, the ambitions and the competitiveness that they had in the last 2-3 years they end up second in Premier League. The level of the club, the level of the team is very high. This season they are first in Premier, first in Champions, and this is a proof that this club it's competitive and.
Yenti na chese Christian Eugene Kivo head coach and so de ma Inter Milan na odin komasi Arsenal de omo level no was so pint and game omo kobo no masa omo fa na grosso no eye nkoma pani ni di chayen na wo be kai say 2010 at the time of panina je friend say Jose Mourinho na chese okita Inter Milan team no won oje trouble oje ade kan say Italian Serie A ana fe kwampo no ade kan say Coppa Italia e remeso eje UEFA Champions League wo be kai say kwada we Christian Eugene Kivu me patchominu kasa di penny sa time no na osi akan enso edima International Milano Inter Milan club no na yebusa ne se ene wo hwe ne team a ye from se Inter Milan team kitansi sia ono o coach no or the compare 2010 ne time na obo enso de ma club na friend se Inter Milan na ohun ne se etisen se level no eye the same wasida bi enya fair sempo krabe compare ne team a ekita Inter Milan to sa 2010 team a ekita san se emre kwa nim ni na football no esesa first no hwe masa na buga wo bo mu brutal o hwe water samuel mo opani friend se Gattuso mo won Maldini mo Nesta mo masa buga pa won kafu be se no football na science o ya bobo no e wo ade kan se book mu ansa kwampona ya begina park ne so enti wase obi bia obe compare Inter Milan 2010 team na Jose Mourinho kita omedi dominate Europe esa di dominate Italy eje trouble no or compared to this current Inter Milan team na chese onye fe Christian Eugene Kivu.
I don't think it's fair to compare two teams that they play in different ages, different players, different football. It's been only probably 16 years, but football has changed a lot. It's not that like it used to be. It's more physically, it's more intense, it's something different for what it used to be. And I don't think it's fair to compare two teams that they have the same goal. And the other one, yeah.
Heti way Christian Eugene Kivu current head coach and so de ma Inter Milan na ono so Edison community ya de nyina so somo e wo dwumadie nso woni makwada na je fensa magay menu kasa dia oye Manchester City player former captain de ma Crystal Palace na osan ma Manchester City no wodi nkomo se ne gira o kire mu die ntia nei wodi atumu se obedi dwuma ere ma Manchester City.
First and foremost, it's such a honor, such a big club to come and play for this club, and I think for me I've always just been obsessed with getting better and wanting to improve. That's something that I'm constantly striving for, and I think this is the perfect place for me to do that. You know, the environment, you know, I've heard so much about the club and the fans. You know, the players speak for themselves, the manager, so it's definitely the right environment for me to improve and just get better, and you know, hopefully I can bring what I have to the table to help every single person here too.
Weye magay me no ka say wajipene wasane ama Manchester City nti ebetimi asisudua se ne oye blue one Manchester City player akwada na je fense Brian Baye akwada we di ni juma edema Paris Saint-Germain me no ka say wo fi Senegal last time at Senegal enso e show mine na je fense Morocco enso African Cup of Nations na akwada we di juma obamu be di juma pa or just 17 years now at age 17 Ibrahim Baye me no ka say waje African Cup of Nations, waji UEFA Champions League, UEFA Super Cup, FIFA International Cup, League 1, and after can say Coupe de France, enti akwada at age 17 dear trophy bill we asibi akwada na chibi masa akwada we hey one masa originally brutal where you lucky very lucky player pa at age 17 now ultimate crew we ya masa na say with future no ye betimi aka say e bright akwada no wabono maden enti ano ya nkoma ye di fromo enso free akwada na ye friend say Brahim Baye enso so ye dey ma obeka say Nigeria enso ni Morocco and the board here can African Cup of Nations semi-final na game no travel call penalties and na my friend say bueno eya Morocco enso the penalties enso you my friend say Nigeria film na beka say during the game no uba goalkeeper na o dem enso the Nigeria akwada na friend say bueno eya nwa Bali Stanley uba say ne tawla empempi goalkeepers no omdigu goal post na chi say bien fifre ti omo ombe pipo manim omu gloves no emu be ya trombe for pipo no uba say glow ana when ya tawla akwada na friend say nwa Bali Stanley Nigeria goalkeeper no tawu bia de begu ni goal post na chi sample fifre ti no be pipa nanim ni gloves ni mu for de be pipa mu no na chese ball ni ba otimi asom ye ubonsa ball boys mo konkwada no na omakofa tawu na firi ho ubonsa odigu no mafa na enra ana when ya Sunday after say Nigeria we no Senegal e show my na friend say Morocco enso age African Cup of Nations no e show mo na so no akwada no e de ko ne Twitter and no so ana we otro Nigeria kasa o say make una use all my tao una gary wipe una tears enti o ka kire Morocco fo nse me tao na mo tam ni nyina enso go post na chi no say isa tao ni nyina so banfa so ma mo mfam pipa mu nisuo eno eye Nwabali Stanley goalkeeper edema Nigeria the Super Eagles of Nigeria goalkeeper and I yedi no nkomo enso de kire na me no kasa FIFA ranking no asa babonten weno eye 2026 officially yeko world ni mu dia me pacho maina je friend Spain eti dijo ma won ube scroll akodan kakra Lamine Yamal image no eno eda ho won eno na yedi nkomo yendi sa nkomo no ansa kwa na ewia jabe fa Africa no enti uko ade kan say world ne so dia weno Coca-Cola FIFA ranking o maina friend say Spain ana we ready kan Argentina tosumienu ana France tosumiensa England etoso en Brazil etoso numo maina je friend say Portugal enso etoso nsiano Netherlands etoso nso Morocco hey masa African country first time am so timi penetrate Morocco am bojuma enwuma am je football mo ne de kwankan me no ka say Morocco enso etoso nwatwe o maina friend say Belgium and Corona Germany enso etoso nine now ba anase we no Germany etoso edu eno so e kakra fi oba je de ni nyina so ma now ba Africa yes enti o Mario yes oba boana what projecting to Facebook join the show no live on Facebook capital D capital 106.9 now we say can images we no a champion that be mom when ya DJ Mario power to the bumper mom and all the images in sugo now we say can nyina bi na bibia kwankan me pa Africa no saying that Morocco at the ekan me pa choko PMS award ono to so nwatwe Senegal to so mienu me pa cho award no to so ade ekan say du mienu when ya 12 and Nigeria held third na uko PM enso world ranking or ya 26 Algeria enso ya 28 award no Oba Africa or 4th Egypt 5th Africa ko PM award or ya 31st and minor je first Ivory Coast ono so etoso nsia Africa ewiase nyina no Ivory Coast etoso 37 Cameroon to so mechira 7 and Africa company ewiase nyina no 45 when enso mo awene ya Cameroon and medium komo enso de man na Tunisia enso to so anwotwe Africa ha na uko PM enso wiase nyina dia omo so to so 47 and DR Congo etoso 9 enso Africa wiase nyina no 48 na Mali enso 10 and first 10 no me no ka say Africa de Ghana antimi ampiem o hwe Ghana Africa yada ade kan say 14 position and wiase nyina so no yada 72 Ghana yada pafo pa hey Ghana yamode mo kwankan o ma bi ti say Mali mu nyina enso twan sabi with no disrespect to any country but o ma bi ti say Ghana na chese ya hwehwe wiase nyina na say position ya 72 empo krampo no oba ade kan say Africa o France we ya Brazil of Africa ba football mu dia na chese o da 14 masa ba kika o otuado ne boys mu ba kika mo e man nso mo kika mo kem last me na mi timo nkoma kire e wiase nyina enso kasa fidikase so bibibia kwankan na o ba kai time grand final ni toja me kire kla o maina je France the Atlas Lions of Morocco enso no maina je France the Tarangas Lions of Senegal African Cup of Nations 2025 final ni sise so no masa penalty ni beto yensa ka video bi weno Morocco Prime Minister opania ye friend Aziz Akanuch won ono ye Prime Minister enti senka bagana ha His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ono ena obuman no uko Morocco ono de ye Prime Minister penina ye friend Aziz Akanuch oni FIFA president Gianni Infantino ya sportive video bi time akwadana friend Brahim Diaz okojina penalty nachi na okobo panen kama akwadana je friend Edward Mendy Somu no masa reactions na bana ha Gianni Infantino ay smart brutal ade no oye shock na say omunyina e kama say per video na yensa ka no obe Johnny show no live on Facebook capital D capital 106.9 na say on sanso timiaka makacho say evidence presentation and no per yade somo enti Obia so din komo anase nkofo pina enso within minutes into it say opening come here say na say Gianni Infantino FIFA president and Dr. Patrice Motsepe munyina na omo hwe sen Kamoko enso be din kunim yenhwe during that time Brahim Diaz enso say penalty no Gianni Infantino reactions. enti uba say prime minister ne dia in country enti oso na no say kaya koya ba Gianni Infantino FIFA president uba say wo manu mu so kakra asa sebi watena won dadoa bi si baabi anase dadoa bi apie wa konya bi so na sebi wa hu na oto akwasi so uba say wo pagya mu kakra anase mpono wani na so na obi so ade ne nsa be won fisa no sa feeling anase reactions a wo ye no sa pepepe no panina je fe say Gianni Infantino FIFA president mi di no nkomo enso ma udwumadi so sa pepepe ana panina so ye yade nkomo ni pina so so mo na Dr. Patrice Motsepe eye CAF president wode enkomo piaba wose say African Cup of Nations no je be every 2 years e dey call 4 years no di mu nchiremu aba yentie Dr. Patrice Motsepe.
Let me tell you, I'm clear in my mind. I have to be in a much better situation in this new dispensation than I was in the previous dispensation. And the numbers and the figures don't lie, and the facts don't lie. Because I can have my own interpretation, say it's wonderful, it's good, but if the facts and the numbers and the data doesn't support it, then it's incorrect. So what's going to happen? We only had one competition that really made money. I want a competition every year. At this stage, with the exception of the year when there's a World Cup, and we're also looking at that to even have a competition in that year. Now, the AFCON is about, it used to be 20 nations, and we increased it to 24. Every year, I'm going to have 54 nations in Africa, not 24, like in the AFCON, 54. 54. And unlike what happened in the past, I'm going to have the best African players who play in Europe. We are proud of them. The best African players who play in America, proud of them. In Asia, in South America, they're going to be part of this competition every year in Africa. Now, how much do I pay for the AFCON? I think when I became president, the first price was maybe 4 million or something, 4 million, and I immediately increased it to 5. I don't know where the 5 was going to come because we owed $150 million at the time. And then increased it again to 7 for Côte d'Ivoire, and increased it again to 10. And I'm excited because I know some of those players, not the ones who play in Europe, the ones in Africa, if they get significant money, some of that money goes into their pockets, and that's what we want. So part of my objective is to make sure that in every sense, the African Nation League competes with AFCON.
Hinti enkomo we yana Dr. Patrice Motsepe enso ede atujwa nyankopon aduma 2027 African Cup of Nations ebekoso no meno ka say the 3 countries ne ya confirm anase we ne ya pomudin say omobeje asioma na so oman na friends na Uganda, Tanzania ana Kenya na we no matundin say pamoja eye Swatini kasa won we ne Swahili rather enti Swahili uko Swahili kasa ma pamoja no aseche say together enti enkabomu ana oman na friends say Uganda, Tanzania and Kenya enso ebebo na Dr. Patrice Motsepe CAF president enso edin komo say energy efa sankomo no.
Part of being a leader is to deal with difficult, unpleasant decisions which we have to take, which are right and which are good for football. But it's more important that we've got to explain them. We've got to take people to come with us, and we are convinced over time they will indeed see that the decisions we are taking. Now, I have a duty to develop football all over Africa. I can't have competitions only in those 4 countries where you've got the infrastructure. You've got to have, you've got to create opportunities for the other countries to build infrastructure at the level, World Cup level that we want them, and develop football in those countries as well. I'm confident that the AFCON in Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda will be enormously successful. Will there be challenges? It's like the World Cup Qatar. We are going now to Canada, America, and Mexico. there are going to be challenges. But and that's why I was insisting that the CHAN takes place in those countries, even.
No, Dr. Patrice Mochepe, CAF president, and this common on this note, Jemfa Amanon common Bob Wanina and Francia, na Jembrefi, na Jebafia, Edim common pina, eba, kain ketesi, Lumba and Super. Volunteer yesha efisemno enkomana asia ye kwa humane so jene PRO enso dema club na ye friend say young apostle we no Alhaji Mahama jene no ekotwe ekotisa nkomo efiwo Mr. Mahama, good morning.
Chief, good morning.
Pacho bibia boko de
bibia boko me pacho na monso e
Yesu adumi anso ho odem pa anopa die mo akwa baba dia 106.9 so
pacho me jemoso.
Wow. Where the Nansentemana yenya speculation be say young apostles mo pese mo twemo free Ghana Premier League nim boenchemu kakra commonity sign no kra bi wom.
Well, my mentia or tifo young apostles a part of the 18 teams here AC kind in the Ghanaian Premier League. Football in Ghana, just like football in any part of the world, yeah, the mra NAD agree make rules and regulations. Some rain say NAD agree. The match be a because game no organizers. Nipa be numbi say Emrano or Mungokeso. Bakon the man in the middle called the center referee. 2. Assistant 1, assistant 2. And Amoebuano. And the 4th official plus the match commissioner. These principal people, Nipa was there with me fair to all manner of players and then to all manner of teams. So would dia kind na omodibono and Swenia. It affects the integrity of the game. Chancellor, it affects fair play. It also must me live up to the standard, so may fair to all the clubs. Ghana has said over the years, this year inclusive, teams are soon about officiating not once, not twice, uncountable number of times. Just last Sunday, Dreams actually a good goal against Hasbrook in Accra. That goal never stood. The following day, Kotoko actually a very good goal against Gold Stars or Bibiani. It turned out to be something else. Following day, Sunday in Wenchi. Yansu actually 2 good goals. Those goals were not made to stand. I believe the referees Omuya Nipa. The Omuya from so Bakum Minua, you can excuse them, say, after all, there's something called margin of error. Say a minimal, and say and so on, plus or minus something, 1 or 2 be acceptable. But the question is so huge, it was for some level, a level of concern. Tips mina esu, Obia esu nisu. Apostles, yes, no, among the lot, is the loudest. The more instances there are, apostles, I incur the wrath of unfair officiating. You could master against Kotoko. Give one a year destined for a draw. Through some magical powers of a referee. Last penalty, a year dubious, was taken against us. I mean, Lusumati by 2 goals to 1. First of all, about Wenchi against Hasbrook in Wenchi. Game upon 0-0. Yenya a last minute penalty. Referee on the day. And Yamaye. You will see Adriana Stars or Wenchi. Game number 2-2. Adriana for equalizer. Per the rules of the game, the ball every team a goaler. It means 8 full circumference must have crossed the goal line. On the day in Wenchi against Adriana Stars, ball no anchor, so Omoji go with the you got Samatics against or Samnabo against Samatics. Ball, like I told you, the rules enable. Timing a part of football. First half 45 minutes. Time added on a part of the game. plus 3 minutes. But your boy up to the 5th minute of time added on, and some almost go 80. Then a penalty on Manje. All these instances are on my social media handles. Alhaji Muhammad Salih Fiura Banda. Okawa, go see Edidawa, and yet anything in security be any and Yasubia. So you won't say, officially, no. A well planned agenda against the club. Say, I'm sorry, I'm saying, would the air qua. No, they will always have a field day and misbehave on my teeth. Nobody is born is a born criminal. Circumstances lead people into misbehaving. We are hooligans. So on my teeth, we try our very best to put our people to control so that nobody does anything untoward. And the GFA, I'm going to give them Ghana has said, if they will sit aloof and allow their assigns on my days to go and then misbehave against teams, we believe that it's not the way to go. And see, after last Sunday match against Hull United, Hull United 2 clear goals. Nobody raised an eyebrow. We cancelled one, Emmanuel 2-1. Moments later, we got the equalizer, mostly offside. We took that in good faith. First half, we won 2-1 against us. The second half, we went ahead and then scored the third goal. Mostly a offside. And no, in your penalty, senior, the ball infringement AC. Now, certain man closer to the incident here. Also, share line B. Ball are all Ben line man. Who can say line man and flying and penalty no. So that was a tactical move from here. Science said, you can see CBR, suddenly obvious. Now me sure. I mean, say, menji. They can engage in that. CBR said, be obvious. Now me ben, now me say, I sure. We are human beings. We know how people operate. And see, when she Sana is here, and the fool say, "Yanko is so egu kentemu." Sana say, "Oko so egu kentemu a enye mada." It always drain. And see, your team no, you say, "Penifo pay your league in him." Some pay your league in him dia. Ye nyaibo rules no very clear. Ye person league no ebi umbi free no. Na you connect the negative points. Sana say, you 21 points, 22 points in the league. You born buying. Mike D, you remember the work matching all right. Sunday we are up against Dreams in Accra. The team will leave Wenchi and come to Accra. You will take part in the pre-match meeting. Players will dress up, be on the front, ball on the yambo. We a protest there. Yeah, the chairman sign any message in say. Ghana officiating the Ghana Hano, and Yadia, a papa. That's it. Before 10 teams in the SU, some are not justified, but some of them, if you take a look at the video of the incident now, teams the SU, you can't help but agree, say, referees no Anyadia. And some of the mistakes that they commit, and young mistakes, and your wapaye, and young from so, it's becoming one too many against the clubs in the country. This our fight against officiating no. It's not just for the good of Apostles, it's for the good of the teams in the country and the game's integrity. So be able to be intact. Na game no, Obia to enjoy football in the country. You team we team wa office be Kenya. Your player, a part of the top goal scorers in the country.
Mr. Mama Mamusa, now so do you take more person mo ye no ma consider say league no yan kan say I say Mubema League and Animaguas and I say Enquires. Yes, and say yenya similar situation in Swatrama incidents. Ma consider a factor. No?
Well, there is a clear difference between Swatrama DA and EDA. Swatrama DA was over acts of hooliganism on the part of some people in Swatre. The EDA is due to poor officiating, who acts to satisfy the masses at its own expense. Say, I'm a science that I come to the house and come and cry. Who does that? Your interest is equally important as that of the public. GFA, they've been seeing this. Friday, I make one to me. Team and so far, I'm saying Dreams FC. Who owns Dreams FC? And yeah, Ketukeku. The team know so far, you know, what is it doing about it? All the teams in the country are crying over poor officiating. And yet peculiar to just Apostles. Almost every team is crying almost every week. It means issue no, it's no longer a simple issue, but a cancerous canker air football in the country. It's high time we stood up, spoke the truth to the people in power for them to do the right thing.
Mr. Mahama, my file complain I call referee association or is that some of my appointment? My file complain be call.
There were games we complained before the match against some officials. They made to come and then be in charge of the game. This game in question that we are speaking about just last Sunday match. I said no back one all higher journey. Back to back. Eya Brandt Efreno, Emmanuel Debenu. In our game against the Diana, I'm going to say ball line cross the goal line or did go more. Same no free. Same as no free. And I say go. Yes, I say ball no offside. No. Ball up center line. And a players any or more opponents echo. If it gets to a point in the race, now opponents no catch now you take a lead echo. Is there an offside in that? In the ball echo. Now what is Shina Mikojawa? And it's me offside. In the game, anytime a person make a move towards scoring a goal, also offside. I think so when you create the move. Before a friend of offside, and your players know there are no minnows in football. They know what offside is. But any move was offside. I believe that this can't be a sheer coincidence of mistakes. Intentional and well planned against the club. It's high time we stood up and then spoke to power. Say the echoes Ohano. So where we have given videos of the instances across the board. Social media and so, and then some traditional media houses are also showing them.
Enti ma file akoma GFA nsam boycott ana say we hinya bi na mo bokeke.
After all, let me tell you something. Human action biano echo through phases. First phase happened yesterday. A break egacha man say you say ball ye jaibo. Second phase is to write a formal petition to the GFA with all the incidences against the club put in there. And like we asked, petition will go. At least from now to Friday, you're 3 days away. That's the last working day of the week. You're 3 days away to pen things down for them. And say, but yes, we are not oblivious of the rules of the game. In the manager, so we write to the GFA and tell them, say, what's happening now? It's high time they did the best for Ghana football.
Mr. Mama, me na say anope wo man yan nchiremu. Yes abebo aso ye mepam. Why? Volunteer busia. Jane Mr. Wene Alhaji Mahama or ye PRO edema wenchi young apostles and yene ne te san common efi ho enso ewo ho no enti wachirem what the clarification number na emra no kopa Godfather atena sintino yemfa agudie mu nsem nyina nsi nyankopon ya adoma anwumre ye betena sia ye the latest nyina enso so ebeba amasida PSC nkoma ye proud sponsors Lumba Super yes enti Lumba Super dama ana omoso ya sene ema ye de agudie mu nsem no e de ebro me din the Bismarck adu say from me man be say Godfather over to you.
Bismarck adu say anope wo de agudie mu nsem aba na young apostles for mo say
omo say league no mo biem mo to mo biem
omebo
omo say yesisi omo
omebo
yesisi ye chinchi mo sa omo sa ye nje ya shetia omo so ade ane ache.
Okay. But I say FIFA latest ranking aba Ghana ye da say
Africa ha ye da 14 and ewiase nyina e was 72
ajeta
ke ved mu nyina wo manim sin so de oben GFA mpanifo ni binti o ebia obetimi aton kra form so no ma de ma head coach say World Cup na e kon de no ma nya kwasa o de mi judi
so Ghana ye da say Africa
ye da 14 An award 72.
You are self and then
72.
The Black Stars of Africa. Ghana Black Stars.
Yes, the Brazilian of Africa. The point when someone is they could I do no.
The 70
72.
Your fancy.
Minia femme waso ene wo mreka kra na menka Diofosu Plaza Hotels one 71 trail se wo pebe bia ye meetings and conferences are anyhow because Diofosu Plaza Hotels a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e kom deal na wo pebe bi ya obenya duane a emu ode na emu ohwam na pomudi wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa betwe abodwonsa ya so bogu mi na se ni pedue mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia mehwe baby a se Diofosu Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a member and a man to Mrs. 1 a fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Mikawum, neighbor shake you amoniaje, Echegusa, oh, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, the Edai Papa, in the Padem. A buso into Saope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wa sumdrie dia. Ya bia ya punama. Afe ye wa 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wa busfia abetinem for a limited period. Afe sheshe Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Etra kwan ewo obotan so ene atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so behu yen wa hwerase. Ye ne fire service station no ene di nhwani mu. Se wo kwa denta. Ye ofrafra ha ubetumi afre yen ewo homayi so 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Hey, Kwame, ade wakabo mu ana iso awo no mo ha wanisa. Ti sete de wo mne banku a ehia wo aden.
Akosua ebuo mu mpo. Isu amenum anya kama pesu papa no ma chumebo. Isu na ka sen.
Anope dem de asem asiu. Anope ya na nan ma me nsuo bia no me nsuo kroje aye fe no Lumba nsupa. Nsuo no de e fa wo mni mu ase boko na ye so smooth. Kwame nsuo de wasa wo no mbi. Nsuo ne ye kama.
Lumba nsupa.
Lumba nsupa.
Ma me kan hwe. Isu papa ni anya na de ade asie mi na menya bi ato wo hemfa
pebi ade akohye me fridge
sa na
Kwame said the akosu ye kano no they say my busu afford the mama musu papa Lumba ensupa isu aba ye dwaman so enya asenketo akra they say adofo no nyina no an obi etu akoton dodo na na pie fie mu a ye no mu a chese bibia ademu come Aquala Production and Trading Limited and abomodi aboa no e de breye yo nsuo nie nsuo ale Lumba ensupa sene adofo no musu pebi etu a abra akosu ya ebo mama ne se opebi akoma ne nua be ya o we chire hoyi ne sainti on be friend number C 0263983801 and I says 054-078-5010 me pacho open Lumba ensupa ehu ensem bia dia betnya koye website e wo www.lumbainsupa.com ubenya eho akade nyina e wo ho Lumba Insupa natural mineral water get a grip with that super brain FDA aji edwedie nkratwe atum.
It's official. DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
see me back where you. Boom, 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 boom. Dream of it and antio, Kajo for so. If you study you, Nipa copy and if you see mo. Boom, 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 boom. And also, I know you, me back where you. Mimpe Obia bonito tati Lumbe. Mimpe Obia bonito yo foso. Enche mene o predia. Adie mene o predia intiana. Ode mena muafiemsa sao. And now say me ding daddy. What did he mazao? Eka ukwang kama saisa. And so onieka unse. Niponya mieshwana die. Niponya mieshano, na se nobody shiro yasi dia tamfubia to me say oh ain't me say do Unyaminti me say do my brother mo Unyamini me high me say do Nyaminti me say do my brother mo Unyamini me high
106.9 Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Yes, man, can do say man busy Lumba Supana Charming Run Water Daroma. What you good year moon summer back. Coming up next on the show. All the top stories, major stories, making headlines in the national dailies. Oh, Krata boss one brand saw. And Shraba Kwajo Samibiana pay what I said. What is something in Abba?
Oh, don't mean you when you say yeah.
Phobia, what do one better than your mom? Happy birthday, and come out when not appear. I know birthday, happy birthday going out to you, brother. Fraud Dennis Anane. We're going out after a cheap palago. A cheap palago. Fasa. It's your birthday today, happy birthday, and come out cheap palago. Dennis Anane. Happy birthday, and come on, Anaba Goji. And your birthday, happy birthday, and come from out. Happy birthday, come on, not a chance to say. I drop brew and your birthday, happy birthday going out to you. Finally, happy birthday, and come on, Fabian Adon. So what to me and the museum? Supana Charming Round Water. And I make up for the amount. Ready be a woody upon to be a water. Program be a wee biana pensio ya sevo ahoho a Lumba in supernatural mineral water would you sure it's pure in every form, just get a grip. You was sachet and you want a bottle Lumba in supernatural mineral water from penny 0555 27 4757 0555 27 4757 Lumba supernatural mineral water. You're in every form. Just get a grip. 29 minutes after 7 a.m. here. And it's still your breakfast show. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
Mama people in Muizio. Minyamie, Edientina, my wife was a messiah, people when you see you. Edientina, my wife was Mama people when you see you.
Arabe was said, I Shraba Kwajo Samibi at Nase. And I feel me man a banana paying Koma Wohonomino. Koraka Tamo Boswano, one fanning in Umbre Tifa. What's your deal? 106.9. Kwajo Machio Nano pay Wapo Mukrampo at saying Nano pay.
Rako Bramijo, so he may do me way.
The Yanko say, I did you say ya near dear fip.
Yeah.
So I say, a duffel frog. And it's a beautiful Tuesday morning here. And Nano. Ye de Yankopon se no. Ye de Yankopon se ne humo bro and in the bambunti ye tinkwem. Every small effort you make today is a big seed for tomorrow. And I'm all be a woo to and no. Ye duaba kese pa. E mo china. E duaba no who duane saying. And on the question at me busa. Every small effort you make today is a big seed for tomorrow. So this Tuesday, show up for your dreams. And I pay na many a tear for doing come and as some money I cano. And I say come on near bono. ni ye kasa afa dipa wano kasa. We should be very, very careful the kind of words I am free and no muba. And ye kasa bia ni ye ka. Kasa bi onu ma ye kasa fi ye nka. Wo bia no mu kasa ntie ne wo da fiase. Wo bia no mu kasa ntie ne na wade abono. Wo bia no mu kasa ntie enai ekwan kase bia bia ma no. Wo bia no mu kasa ntie ene na dwuma abono. Ensem ana ye firi wanu mu eba. Ensem ana ye firi wanu ma wo ka kire wawofo. We should be very, very careful the kind of the choice of words we use. Ebra ye di nkomo. Because you're winning command of penny yebo.
Right, back of Bramina and French amenity for an pomuti. Yenna yenim say abrabo eye anamontua yetuno and a chess abrabo. Your casa ubi bobra. Abrabo ni na ye dada anamontua hodo yetu, ye kwa ye bayno, yani yahodo ye no necrebra yebo. Na yenyina yenim se esebia obi twa no eya na eho sunsuanso edema wa brabo en penifo aka se mese sebe enya da obeto ebo etwa esuofra no ena mpafen ebesi wo en se brabo no to obo asehye ne yi a wanije but wan hyehyɛ ne yi nso a ebetumi akofo how pi na ede abra wo dache yemfa we nyenhweso so okuani a wakwa fom na wakofa inuane mimfa ne se bi abanche ana bayre ena wahyehye ne kentemu a ene ese doso na ode bafie nanso ene ma hopepre ene ntoboase a wanyanti wahyehye ne biara sam na yenim ni papia ya na mimata tene kurase a che en makonwura mu pa banche bode den maku ebro ne nyina yadua bi pen koku ye nyina ya tene kurase a ye ho adwuma ntia na ye ka yede bibi ye hweso na yenim de ye ka
I see.
Yeah, ya tene kura na so wachepa ba mu den ya demu a dadanya ye like cement kura ne bi ni form ye boro form ho ama ne ho no mo ye de ntwoma ne boro twitwatwa abensa ye de boro so na ho no mu nyina ye flat ne ye de rafia strips no am say ye de nsa ne bi etimi ye isere fe fa ne se mrekete ne ye de ase form ne adaso o ma we kura o matene kura se pen bi me kan and brakob na wo kwa no sene ma na wan hyehyɛ ne ye du ba bi a ebitumi yi na nyina dweragu na aje woto obo asesan soye ne nyina si wo san hyehye na entem na anka pa se wunya no afi be hu na sa entem no wantimi ankodu because wo ka se wo be soye be si form na wo be yere wo ho a wo be hyehye be wi ne bi mpo ana enwure mu ho no wo pedua bi a yem papa nwumo ka se dundunsi ne tu no ebi na dunsi ne bi na wanya soafo ena wo pedunsi ne bi esi wo na wo de ne ma ne si so na wo soaye ebia baabi a nema ne ko yigu ye no kura no duesi ne bia ni ho for now no ade abaye ne se obetwan se obi twam a na wasoaw sente saa waka kwan nim ene unyo obi anso se obechem tu na wode half akwaba na wasoa san akwaba fa half no ekire wo se ye pere ye ho bebiri wa brabom a edu baabi a ye pese ye kɔ no ye nuru ho enya de ye beduru ho kura ida say ye be yende life no prematurely na say yebekwa koka kwantimfini ntimi nkobi okura eyade ye ha adwen enti ye kwa ye ba ya na mutu ye nkita hodie ye kasa ebibia ye nyina no ekire ye ndache esa ana kwan ye boto ho ama ye ne aye ho enti bibia wo ye bia no aya afa esusu dia na hwe ne se enti anamo ametu ne no me dache kwan na menam so yi ana se agudie kwan na menam so yi eyade bia ho hia pa mefira efia no pa ma ba adwuma yi bipia me kufie edu weekends bia me kɔ me ne ya hodo ne isuam de na die no me ne afoforo nkita hodie no eno ena kire se de wodaache ebekɔ eya sabe na wutwa to ma wa wodaache se be ya sa daache no dumpempen so ne pagya ma wo kon bedo ana ena obi daache ohun se oji so hwan obonwum bi se ma yese mo pen eya se bi mu oden pa ma yese mo pen enem penimfo mabobra dum pempensuo bi no enya kwanya nnesenka o monsan hyabra bo se a chamai ado besenka ohia futuo bi o ko ohia obi afutuo se onya kwanya se nne onsan hyabra bo na se bi wa ko ohia futuo because brebi of fame no teaching a lesson amma na nya sua hunu bi a anka onya sa kwanya na komfa na brabo nni agro bi o makra Abraham nyum o se dia fa mani so yi memfa mabrabon to chacha bio And because of say yeah no ye nyan koduru ho nti ye kan na ye nte ase ye besere titru ye mebuno no ye nto ye boase ya brabom bibia ye ne nebia no ehu onsunsuanso e ho ma ye daache se okoto se onyonko abodam nam kwan ho a aya bisa ho se de na si ye pote ansa na ekoba ne saa ebetuma enuma ba ko mienu miensa bi saa ne ma no bisa ho se wonimu ana ide se okofo obi ne ye bonu dua ne ye bo ne dam ana okwaji obi kunu ene ye bo ne dam ana say wakonum ni bone ana afa ni tirimu sanema we nyina ka ho ida say eye honhom mu ana say honum ani na ni nyina so no aya ye no yensu ni ye ban no ne ye ne ye dodo na ne kofa ba obi antumi nsore preko pe ne wabodam keke enti ni nyina aya ye hia de na aya sua firi but niama obi ye ya ne ho akoka adwa mu na no ana yesu gusu ayeye ye besere ye ma ye daache ne ho hian esa ye twa ne nne ye be kire bebe ye daache be kwa kuduro sente saa ne ye bɔ ne biara se emire ne du na sa brabɔ ne panehye ana etwa ye ma me ye mfa ho sommo e mo dasane bia ye nyintum se ye ne ana ye hyehye ne ma ye
right yo kodo me da se ada pa Ghana for aye crowd what you
right bra kobra anope ko akata ne nsem ne nyina no aba biduru na yentu ye boase ne nsema hodo aba no de susu a ediku akata ne nim akotene pa no eno ena anope no ye bubu no asere ne abasa gbobo mu ana Ghanafo ehu de ekoso ewo omanyim na daily graphic akata na pa ne wasi fom na ode baya nsema de betu dwa ne kire mu a nsase ahodo a mansotwe ahodo ekoso ne ade no ohamuchichemu audio kron wotwe de ebe de mpa se sansa mu betimi asan register bio asase bi ho no ma atumi asase we ni mpanifo atumi atintim ho nkrata dada ato ho no ma ewo obidim mu na so behwe no na asase kuro ya no yetam preto sa ubekọ ne nimpa be ya duasaden na asase ba ko pe the same spot na manfo din hyehyɛ ma no musi debi 90% of lands can be registered. Owners at risk in dispute. And to make a say dear. In Sasa Hontono, and as a tower may mono, a quack se cocaine, and why den pam na ISSra. It is all part of Associate or Modiana Lands Commission. Na Pesuvea non commodian survey land and amount. Let you show me who is Assassin Barbetrino. Manson be a nisso. Sente saa paade a krache obi betumi atwiwa di pa ma wahu say yes watwiwa di ebize saa na ekoso mayimu a empenifo kire mu a insase ahodo wo mayimu no almost by 90% of lands can be registered tutu odi nyina no o matintim ho nsem a ewo nkrata so dada ewo edin ahodo dada so am na mwani ana ho a bi betwiwa di pa tizem kese de asasiru anum bi etu si gemu a enya semukuma kram intani ya sama yaso pa no pay daily graphic wakrata no ode ebetu dwa na kratafa to sensia ewo daily graphic wakrata nim ebo amane sen akane o my Ghana yen photo samfo ken ufoliata ensensem nyina yenim so bo wuramu ewo US man mu a one immigration officers no etimi esu yen papa ken ufoliata eduamu a enansen ogene ho it is ogene ho babi bia nya dia eje na wano no betu dwa echire mu a ne nkrata asem a ema na kwanya ma otumi etena United States of America man mu no nkrata no akwakoye twem kabia ewu entina jese otumi renew anase otumi the application ko na mpanifo enhyehyeye eno ma na ye tumi krata afoforo bio enansen bono na mpanifo achirim se ne dia me ya adoma US memu asem no betu dwa nesesere na ata Kennedy edges voluntary return ayikoi otu back try in absentia ntimi kese de omuti echire mu asa dodo na akire se kanofulata de nkasa de tie bia no enka empenifo nso ne duam na momfa na mra Ghana visa empenifo sei kontunu hwan ya na chia na ekro etifru Ghana na nka gya wakotena US memu na drum pempenso na wonkrata egua eden ne ni brekoi kamoma na mra fie na nka gya wanya hwe kra wabobra kra owo fie ho ne ade mansions obi tuma dem a isle gone mmia pi na sprinters ne ade fie ho enti gomra fie na twintwina twan saa no mo pese mo kire sen kamo man mbra kakra mpunka o ma hwehwem ne ade ehun sensem no so edako akrata no enim na kuakata na fa so di baako na mu kire mu say name airport after Kwame Nkrumah not Kotoka renewed advocacy timike say de edompi a omka biewom ahyase e kasam ena wore mu kire mu say omodwen ho a omonte ase se omai etumi tena se na Kotoka a ono bedi oman Ghana so mi bi atwam ehonom ena soja ban omokwache ne ko bonu toku nu nte no omatumi atam Kotoka International Airport edi atono so ewo mra enyo no na yeye enyo no mpo na ebo ho bra bia enti yeno ane se na ame eba ne se na jese o ma na yetimu no jese yenye fe ba kokram enti Kwame Nkrumah osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Ghana mampani a odikan ono na se fata senka Kotoka International Airport no yede to no enti anu ani we empanifo de adesere etu Ghana mampani enim se ebe ya Kotoka International Airport no edino omonsesa no na monfa Dr. osagefo Kwame Nkrumah din emfanto so na ba kun de enye kura obi abedi no soja ban betu abagu no machi na bonutu ekunu ho a mosi ekunu ho nti yemfa ne din to so e kasen a Ghana fo dodo na mpanifo e ka bi ewum nyina adwa wodem kasa na ade a ene ho sensem eno no na Migration Council unveils a new project for border protection. Migration Council unveils new project for border protection. Make say no asaya ehwe o man Ghana ya manwe sensem so onumunyamfo mutaka mubalak akasa echiremam o man Ghana eni asaya ehwe na ye ahumbaboku a ehwehwe yahye so boban se be ya nipa bonfo bia etimi mo manyi mu emedi ayawo anaso me pray o mayi mu no mu gusu ade hye pegu akwan mu a won ba begyina ho bambo mpa e ma na konkanen e wo man Ghana ye na hye so enti we asemoda wonom apa hye soronko a wonom edi ba begu akwan mu na bo se be ya hye so no no betumi akonkan ede ama oman yemfree daily graphic wakrata enim na yemfree ya nkyire mu ewo daily guide ko wakrata no edensem enam na wonu mu kyire mu a enkrata ba bonten endra ebekyire mu a openipo no etu franka WMPP amayokonde din mu Nyankopon ya adoma opepon bosuma ye wumi de toso aduasa baako ne mpa ebo nyane se Nyankopon be na domnem kunumdi etimi akwa ama no emu baako ayi akane Asen Central ma hye betwani odiminyamfo Kennedy akom preko Japan na kuwakrata de wetu dwe kyire mi se Ken opens wide lead in MPP race katafeta so miensa ene ebo amane endrada asaya ba akwa yehwehwemu yepam a $1 suko titiru kuntabuo efa amanyasem ho no omoso matu ho agu montene so oman Ghana mantam mako edunsia ne nyina mu no omakwa kwa yehwehwemu a beto dwa Kennedy akompreko wane mu kyerem se MPP amayuku ne ma no dodo na aja atum se pempenso yewo mu no se yope obi akwakudi MPP amayuku nanim na watoto ne yama na amayuku no edikan enkoro ye etumi aba amayuku no na amayuku no etumi ayakrabehwe na fantoma pade afram sasebe body a yadua na foforo ne yagusunsu ana ye from na san hia nsutobre na ni nyina ye Kennedy akompreko ohene Japan eno achi nso wona mu kyerem a wona mu atenase ayenhwemu ahunu se Kennedy akompreko ohene Japan no oyo obi a wahye ase piepie nyuma Ghana fo mebunu pii na wa adwuma wo mo ye na mo hu ne se ne so ade hunu opeso ade emebunu no dodo na mo adwuma ne bebo apam nti se Yankopon ya adom to aba na mana MPP akumnya kase jo mampani akumnya no Kennedy akompreko Japan ebetimi akwakwaje akumnya no ede ama wonom ni senti dodo na kase kyerem se se epobi obedi amanyoko nanim di a se mo san Kennedy akompreko ohina Japan ho a na kyerese mato petetuo enti ene ho sensem eno no katafeta so miensa e wo daily guide ko akrata no enim e ho sensem ena abai na MPP flag bearer race na ena make say no omo hwe anim say enipa ahodo a mutu franka ma akoma kondom no Obia ednesa beko akɔhye ntiase apamase kwasi boni baka ne say peace part ene wupu say wumpu sa peace part no odo nsa behya ase bi na wagye atom ahye mpanifo bo say abato no ehun sunsun say babia no sade etie bia no se mpanifo ma muda ho fenchem gutodi a begitum medi nkunima medi nkugu a mia na mekoye mawe magyatum wonom pese abato n'achi mentem ho ase oye ne he bia besora manyokunum ntinipa mako enum efiri Kennedy akompreko ohina Japan so ekwesi akane omampani ebede chi Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia so ekwakwesi oniminyamfo brand echampon so ekwopiem Dr. Oseyaw Aduchum former education minister ekwakwesi a Kobere Japan so obia fa ne nsankwahye ase na onye ntum yeto aba ne wi a yempe hehe bia na nipa obedi nkodem no munyina wonya baako na monta na chi sebe yempe amanyoku no ebetimi edi nkonem ewo mfempem ene adonu nwotwe abatonum na katafato sinsia ebo amane say Bawumia beat peace drums make say de Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia akane mampani ebede kira wo pretumi ewo MPP amanyokunum ekope omega na kunya kese ekodi so mampani no ekiri ma make say de ene asomdwe ntwene a wo buru no mu ha no enyasem kuma asomdwe ntwene no so obom eni esere akokọ ne akroma entokwa ne bi obom se ya pese obo na asomdwe mapa edehine ewo MPP amanyoku no emu yanto aso ne yampie mu ewo the chronicle ko akata no the chronicle adensema ba na ochirema I am not an alien in MPP Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia enekesei katafeta simi no miensa ene nwotwe ewo the chronicle ko akata no ebo amane the Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia enfuni abeto animu a ene microphone chenchirinchira a esi nanimu no in fact wedwapam na Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia chirim se yanka nchire Ghana forum nyane ntie se onya hoho egwa MPP amanyoku ne mu da oyamanyoku ne ba pa wasoma che ne papa eni mpenifo pi na mo na busuam nyina ya MPP fo wasoma ayede se oyese o mampeni ebede akira emene mu odimpo a okogina ye kura nkugu baaye emna odi ne dibra hodo ne bank adwuma wo ye nyatoto fom ne ade ne nyina okunu huma amanyoku ehu dontira na ye ne nwanwa se ne wanda obete Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia indiro no so ye probia bedi MPP anim a na nkanye wono na sabe ye probia bedi akanfo party anim a ena nka wa ufiri atifide mantam de nka wa se ne hwan ne ade am no kirima abba ayedoto mi ye MPP ni mapa mo first year na mame wa Canada 6 year ndia ndia mo fa ade ma no ntwike ohu enti wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu so onye hoho tinmabu ha mo ya aya mo hwe ni yipa na hu hia mo hwe ni yipa ni mabu a mo ye edu ba bia ha adwen pa na yem free the chronicle ko akata ne mfa ni mfa nkyerɛ mu ewo the spider ene kwaku ananse basi fom the spider nananse den sama na manopai kwaku ananse den sama ba na wonu mu kyerɛ mu a nakok empenimfo ekopie mu ewo budumburam ene no wa central region finfi mantem no mokoye no fetawani o ense se ye ka kyerɛ nyina ne se drug empire naps elusive murder in downed raid katafeta so miensa ena oba amane se enya se mukuma na no fiade atwa mu ewo kaswa budumburam kroduanim ewo finfi mantem ena so ye hwɛ sɛ ɔman na nubɔne ehudwa enkoso nakok ɔmo kyerɛ mu a budumburam na kyerɛ sɛ abaya bi wanya mfinhia no aduasam yenu 32 years pɛ ne wanya na ɔmo kyerɛ mu a wopo bia yɛkase ye ni nubɔne hudwa wɔ man yi mu a maame we ni sɛ wani kan ya obetuma to sutu na waje butumburam krodo na boso ene ne ho na mebunu ni nyina to no boni free ene se ye vidi bi na apato a woni hu ha obenya bi cocaine kro obenya bi ama ho ene tramo cannabis eduro bi a yadu boni bi akobra ne betumi hwia na adwene ma ye he na okwa na nante nyina toto a eye ono ne nse no adwuma na mu kira ba ne den ete ye maame Rebecca na dai na mu kire mi si wadi ne bo no hu dwa je na no efiada homache na nakok empanimfo ene ahobambu ku kwoto ana in fact na so aye shepa mi se mekesei okwa kogina mla no ene emebunu pi ana mo gato a mo twetwa bie eno num bie hwehwia bie mo de dafoma empanimfo tumi do mo kọ akogina mra no na mra etimi ahwehwe mu nsem se de na ma mo kwan se sebe mo modin na muntu sa na mo bone na mo hwehwia ndu bone sa ho sensem eno no na katafata so enson ena okuswa de agira mu ewo finfin mantin fi spider ne de ne abere power central region na spider ko kata ne kire mu akwaku ananse osi yanka nkire mu sei abanda de twa mu ekofe drip machines e de baye ene bulldozer wom tipper trucks wom ene excavators shembi ene mfide e di twa akwan di yi akwan sie ma ne ma konkan ba men de baye e twanditia e kan se drip mfide de baye na mu kire akopie mu wasenfu so ne mpotema e hore mo de kire se project ahodo ampenifo je nyina no ne nyina twa sensan bibia nkoso ne nyina ne se eye drip mfide na ekoye no miss management tesenya se mkumo empenifo na ntumi anhweso ye Obia de ono nko ane pese minkume na ekoye entoma ye niam sin wantan sana sententan se de spada de ba ye ya pepepe ema sinfu su akwan hodo asese ne ade ade chese nka mbetumi di mfidi asiesie ne mpotebo nyina ya kra behwe no ne nyina kwa sense ma akwaje ta anopai anan sententan kwaku spider kwa krata no ede hwama ne bo ede aba ndi akwaje ta wa sinfu su kwaje ta wa sinfu su ehonsem aba openi yentu furu hodom na yakwanim nkoko akata fufurum the new trust weye ahotoso ofoforo se trust ne yese uji obi adie wodo ho ato no so nti we new trust the new trust kwa akata na den samnam na Obama ne say Dr. Editwum is our best bet to return MPP to power MPP delegate ene unsem ni na Dr. Oseyaw Editwum akane oswafo a na ohwe omaiga na dusua so ena MPP emanyoku ni madodo na eboje ne so a fansa waje no anyasem kuma wona mu kiremi se base yemmo chachapa na yembeti se nipa we ni yemfa ne nko na yehwe se obeji tumi ama MPP emanyoku no ewo mfempim ye na aduonu nwatwa bato mu dia ni nyina doctor Oseyaw Editwum tese efini keka ba kokura ni papa ye ho ne body mbo a wopo no Editwam intonu nkuto no so fata na DJ Omaro na fiwe no MPP delegate no mbedi dipa o peche o mbedi dio chese obi okwo mu nchen bia mu kire mo no ne sefata enipa ma kunum no omokwa ahya manfo a do beko bia o wanwene abande ewa na akro ofoforo ba o ye wa na akro kunim de wadi awie dada wadi awie chese mba prepare kira yi ne delegate yenso yenti party ne bi ne yanya bie nkebe bua o koko pa na ebesi o 31st ne de amanfo be di say peche ho manyim telling you say NDC de ne so beba ohun enso mbe di o mbe di papa yenya se bukuma o Ghana de say de akodo obi aba o so na ekro wo ba ye se wa na okro na aja wa hwe o ma mu wie na foforo ba se wa na okro sa na minim no obi na ekwe na ba na moto ama hwan ana ho betutu ama mu nyina hedio David delegate for idea send me who send na a test confirm na share registration ni ade a mugusua bibi e konkan nti mo amutu frank ama mani na ho ntesa obi besu delegate for ndi mo ho ahomte fear delegate no mo mani na ho pa because amudi agora kwa mefa so mbetumi show mo no obi beji sika kura kwa akoto taxi no register no Uber na boot ni bi dia ya adwuma uwia no kura akotwere gu akire watwe wawe asa de gu akire esa asre ho demisra mo susu nye skem delegate for ndi mudi agura ma pra machi no mbehu Canada Japan cautions against intimidation ahead of MPP flag bearer election into Canada akompre kon ohina Japan wase yanka nkyere penimfo amo na mbehwe MPP abato no so no se de munum no na no munum no dada so no sabe oye Obia nokre enya no de ohunu no ho asem no kan dodo na anhye da mpe na asem nokre nti nokre so di tu abane de onim se Nyankopon de tumi na hye ne sadada akase da ne beduru enti obesere abane duru ho a mo ma no komo Obia showdown say ya Ghana man penin dada mo beka ya 2024 ho baby ne bufu ya ofre ne fon so ankoma ne showdown no mpese bi besi bio enti abana mo to a mu hunahuna ne mante bia nkuntia Obia mo ma emunya free amfe de obedi nkunim bia ne wadi odi nkugu obeji atom odi nkunim so a okọ na mom se munnim no Obia na adwen sai we de yempe na asem tie pese yetietia ne fa hodie so a mo betipu na mbetedwe pa ene abato no ebeje nsrepe ne peteku oni on tan Obia na mom no mamma ho anna ho mamma mu anna ho de a abana be yere pa enti Canada compre kon hina Japan no mo bibiam na ho fan de obedi nkunim wadi wo wi a wawe e kire din enye kro no katasum mu aso bia na Ghanaian youth trap by betting a transactional sex George Akom ayen semo Ghana mebu na mu kire mu say ade ba ko a ene eye afidi a echeche Ghana mebu no eye betting ana no so wofa enya asem kuma o adwuma na edin openi eden omo se ade we atumi eye afidi asum Ghana fo mebu na si woyi wo mani koba ne betumi akoye adwuma saa nkakra bosom bedu ye ma 1000 Ghana bitu botoma na 800 na 600 bia o si sika ni sa trine nyame nkɔhwɛ sɛ Chelsea fo ne yi Manchester match ne se metumi adi kakra okwa ya na pa ade ebe kina sulia ne nani matwa na sɛ ahokyere ne mu ayɛ den temu kyere mu ha adwen pa ɛna ɔmo kyere mu sɛ transactional sex ayɛ den o adwuma na ayɛ den de ama youth no pa sisi de ɛsɛ ɛbɛsra ɔmo yɛ ni na akra sɛ de yɛkro no ɛna Ghana meburu no wuyi mo ham gye chemba de sɛ 99 a bet ne de chairman agye me numie nam sɛ yɛntwa bio anse me numie no pɛ because eden dodo ni nyina etwa bi dodo na etwa bi obi etwa bi ɛna de ba akɔso aka toso mienu ɔmo se transactional sex sɛ bɛma hu ɔbɛ na ne gine ho kama bibia dadin so utua o ɔbɛ je wo tumi kopesi ka bi emu odu na de dada na ansana onsaka ɔmo kyerem sɛ saa nema we yɛ nema bi a yɛ afidi a ekutia Ghana fo mebu ne pa de di kan yɛ betting second transactional sex no bema be ne mogya na ayi adwuma busum be no watam ne nyina wakohia ba ya bia ne ho ofa ne mpoku an to ho bi da no watam ne nyina koma no na ode koma kosifie ebedu an adwoje okohunu gali ne ayi asikyire di nom na oda make say na watumi a oda pizza ama oba no tie akire a wo prepare akire na odi twati akese make gum bema ekotoko kokura na make krontumi nyibi ngum da kate akura ntumi nto ko se kura den wape pano no 2 cedis bi dia prepare chiri sa omu chiri ma Ghana mebu ne bre pam na niema we ene ade a ekutia Ghana mebu no sini aye no kra ebe no kra pam because me mani to forma me hu se because me ne mebu no senkanya sa ne ma we pa nka Ghana mebu no bebre na betumi abobra but sa ne ma na ye de ho ato so no ha adwen enti ehun hwehwe na mpanifo de abetu dwane na the dispatch e de aba chiri m say John Osai ebisa say why ena obetimi ede nkunim ewe MPP amanyoko abato mabeto yangopo ya adomam opepon bosuma yewo mahine de teso aduasa ba kono why ena obetimi ede nkunim ode Canada Japan aba Dr. Brian Champon wa ha Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wa ha Dr. Osayaw Edutwum wa ha ana afinso openi kobena Japan omunyina mfuni da na obi sebisa kata feta so dumienu se hwan na abato yi obetumi edi mu nkonim eno no de nanso Now, any police officer you attempt to bribe now will disgrace you. He want promotion. IGP. Hey, tete yohono. IGP, what's the way the abefa? Katafeta sudi bakon and IGP Hrema. Ene Ghana Police Service mlante nani abere Obia pe abasubonti no. Wa wunnim so be wa so ma prosi ni bi bribe no begu ani mu ase. Hey! Asem we dia senior hwehwe mu ase wo kana. Ene wa wutie mu waka ni mu anope no. Wa fa kwa adwenwem. Unso a wutie mu store no mu wa wutie mu ofie wudam mu. Ene miamia hodo amutie DJ Ghanaman me ye sure say we biem e wo Butri station anope a chia wo. Enti IGP say free na ekọ. Se wo ye hyenkani, se wo ye hwan, se wo ye hwan. Utumi ma prosi ni bia bribe e wo krom ha biu. Wo mo mpe kata so se pro ne kankan. E prosi fo ni nyina pe promotion ti wo ma ne bra wo be gu ani mu ase. Ei, wo di anka ye ne ba je papa. Sanka toto da ba na ne ba bi na nka o ma driver ni sika na wanje. Na si hu me pe promotion ti ko. Ei, enka Accra Central. Toto fo na ne ba ji o. Na shama mfuwe no mama keke ya ne Martina ne kaswa fuwe ni amasa Enquires nko mani beji papa. We dia munya ne sa pusi for no yesi ya munye bribe bi because mu pe promotion. Mo boss na ka. Boss na ka na sem we dia eno odene. Ensem hye ye ho aba pe so ne ba kunnie. Na can Ghana perform better at the World Cup? Asama abani o. Katafata sudi baako ne kwa krata bi sese nti wo hwe Ghana team a ye wei na wo hwe recently AFCON e course so modern boy ko ne ade atoto ho a nti Ghana team ye kita ye ye betimi e de akwa akobobra e wo World Cup na se ana obisa se World Cup na e be koso e kwa mama ya hodo no Mexico ne sa ye friend saying US United States of America ne Canada na e ho na me pe Canada US dia Donald Trump ntimi nko ko Canada ne ade an omu bi sese Ghana mo kwa mo be ya ade ana bra e be ye omu kwa be ya ade Ghana team ne be ye ho na be da po num Benjamin Asare on ye number 1 goalkeeper na our international exposure kakra de because na say zero mu de ball ne ba na ehu nye yize kura sem be share England mo de ball ne ba na ehu pa ntino e ho na medwuna ho no na mpena sempa mma na mfa agbasi nka ho sa ha second keeper no oye good pa o agbasi oye good pa mo de ne kwa nka e be boa me na nka mfa mo maka ne keke nka ho a mo ba adwumaden ka kire DJ Ghanaman se michia no michia Ghanaman wo Butri station adwuma wo bo ma DLFM ne so pa nyame nhira ne pina the archive ko akratan de aba ene wo kire mam profiling the facts 313 metro mass buses sold for 2,500 each. Hey, profit shared among cronies like dog meat and chinchinga. Hey, asama ba. Na empenifo chirema se idi aye nsempio. Sa o man Ghana ye metro mass no. Sa na edu baabi na bia dada ne ade empenifo siesia. Omu chirema emu mako aha miensa ne du miensa 313 metro mass buses no penifo tumi tonton ye umutumi ton bus ne baako 2,500 cedis na man kam yankoto bi ye boy ena mu ye sa bus ne baako ye 2,500 na mo tonton wo manyim wo mu wie na mo di sika ne bi amo so mo hye sika na ma wo ho chiche bi ma mo ho a mde bi kwa wewe krama nam ne chinchinga sa e wo cream ha ei sa ado mama nya de omu ne ani ne yie na ka mo ton baas ne bia sanka me ne DJ Omalon sei ne Hitman yenya baako a enka ja nansen aho kira ba kromi sanka ye de aye adwuma ka ye de ne beto hen ka be ne Madina to kaswa ene ye fan straight na akọ ye enko gina nyina kwan ba bia aho ka ye wi a ne yakọ Accra to nsanwom bia ho wa ne ho na ye de kwane ade ade na motumi aton baas yi baako 2,500 say ye no kura mpase de mpenifo kan ya ene mo ne ye ni yi tamo wo hyen ne ama mumiem ne nyina ye hunu bi na baas baako tumi ton 2,500 na taxi kura na ye da ye ton ne say ha Adenam says na you. Bra ebe. Oman ebe. Matro mas ba tin we na tie na kra hya na say. Amutumi turn 2500 say. I had that. Na so much 313. Anka we siesie na nam I would yemfa ne say na nam akra ha na miamia hodo a kuma se ni nkura kesi ni mu a. Saka be ma ahyenka trotrofo ya omoba ya sudwe yi enka so atumi atekakra. 2500. Ko Cape Coast ya de na kwahwe. Some dey me free Cape Coast just last week and buy. Me ko chini ho sa kwahwe. Now Star Wire post record daily sales amid pricing war. Competitors left crying ma. Oh, I want to say yes kumo. And the Star Wire phone so because o mate teso sa bibia dem. To make say the mu chire ma daily sales no. Pricing war just say Obia hu ne say sa wo yire wo de mu a. Wa hwe ni ya na ya nto because amanfo agegem fofofo sa. Antini say de ade na ekọ no. Hey. Aka krafango no bia benya bi fofofo de agune kam na ahyenkafo no so mateteso no ye nyina ye ho atumi atoy na bibia atumi akonkan de amoman to mo kirem a make say de nyuma kwa da motonton fango no bi ahyase esum ma wo mayi mu a kyesenya sem kuma kra ho nsem ahodo na kwa krata be ne be bobra we no di archive kwa krata no e de ebaye amde abo na kwa krata mo boso no yemfansi na yemfa the Ghanaian Times emfen twato okra the Ghanaian Times kwa krata na de so am Nakok bust notorious drag queen in Budumburam raid nti say the medical to wanimu na no Budumburam baba wa wedin finshi aduasam bi no 32 years Obeka na tay edini ye na day na nubono hu dwa ana makwa kwakye no ayensensempi na no increase in cement price manufacturers kratafetasi mienu na woma wonomo cement echiremu a yemfanto Ghana fo anim enya ade a wonomo cement na omatum amuntutum nemom mo kasara monteso no mope no dada mope dia enche mamo anase papa na mope aya munya abotre cement no peso mo ye papa mamo nti ne bo ne de nya de matutum ntutum nti ne cement bo no so mpenifo kire mo ntumu munya abotre ya be fine ya be fine e de ama omen kutuka okata mbo so no anapaye nyina we so ne yemfa ne nyina emfansi pa na DJ Ghana ma kire mu agwetire station de infa DLFM anese ne de umabiem se kuha bibia dadin ntade hye ne wo ho nyina etie akire din ampenifo nyina no pe no wanom etie kuwa krata moboso no de se de me kan ye no ye nyina so na yemfa ne nyina emfansi na sa matro mass transit na matimi akoton mu makoma akotere na 13 na yesi mu disk na kwa mi chinchinga ne de man hyada anya de saa o manya de kura manya de baako se ye no kura mpa enya sabi ntwanto so bi na ebi obi gu obi anim askeke pa na se ye no kura de a enka mini DJ Malon de nka baasi ye nya bi a ka beboa 2500 de enka mini mi zanka tobaako na Hitman tobaako a ko tell de am so no na sa kofo baas na ompe nti nka mini ye miense tutu bi a kanya hwe kura de bia kura sa 2500 betumi nya edegu ebotom na matumi aton bases ne ba ko 2500 acheche disk na ko chinchinga na etikruma adamo de mascrab fo ana to muntutwa na de well DJ Hitman yem fancy yese mo matro bases ne na o makotonton mu 313 2500 acheche scan ne ho asama nti yem fancy
ya tonton bases
so matonton 313 ba ku bia 2500 ena make sense ko mo ka kire sanka ibetobio ana nka yuzi ntumi nto 2500 nka o betumi atobe ye 4 kura e ka metobe ye 4 e de bo adwuma wakra nko
na lodi obelodu akwanfa
o se madina tukaswa me de be dodoa afo ne bre me koto dodoa yibi ho no na ba akokɔ straight tukaswa na ba akon afiri Accra Central e de akon sanwam na shaman de aba La Paz na ade a na ba ko na aka no matese ade hye omo wo gbetiri omo bre pa me akoto gbetiri honom na so de omo chinchin ba bi omo ko bia no na nka omo so me de akosi wo mo ne ade a
nti area nka wo de bases ne beto no
na me de atoto no matese ho no kwan ne hye da anya wo se bases no so ne ho oden sa akofo bas ne ho oden pa ba bia ne wentumi nko nteni ba bia kwan ne nya na me de ato ho na mo ho hare wo ne ade a but manya de se muton 2500 ne ye we anta ho hwea last be su sa mutonton bi sa tonton cars bi be 500 cedis bi kura mo se 150 ana ya mayesa o manager pade na ma wo hye ne fofofo na mache enye o selwa da bi se mo beto se mo ton wa mo ka je se mo wo hye pa be ko na asa mo ton wie ma mo ho wie nkura mpa so mo de aba so bad enye fine ayo mo nyesa o nyesa kra chama yemfa ko ankata mboso
ye fancy kwadwo me da papa pa 106.9 in shaba kwadwo sami bi na de ko wakata mboso no wodi abre anope quick commercial break here ba anope ye bedi nkomo
Kwame ade wakabo mu ana nso awo no mo ha wanisa ti sete de wo mne banku a ehia wo aden
akosua ebuo mu mpo nsu a menum anya kama pesu papa no ma chumebo nsu ne ka sen
anope dem de asema sio anope ya na na ma me nsuo bia no me nsuo proje aye fe no Lumba nsupa nsuo no de e fa wo mni mu ase boko na ye so smooth Kwame nsuo de wasa wo no mbi nsuo ne ye kama
Lumba nsupa
ma
me kan hwe nsu papa ni anya na na de ade asie mi na menya bi ato wo hemfa
pebi ade akohye me fridge
sa na
Kwame said the akosu ekano no they say when we busu afford the mama musu papa Lumba ensupa nsu aba ye dwaman so enya asenketo akra they say adofo no nyina no an obi etu akoton ododo na na fie mu a ye no mu a chese bibia adamu come Akwala Production and Trading Limited and abomodi aboa no e de bre yo nsuo nie nsuo ane Lumba ensupa sene adofo no musu pebi etu a abra akosu ebo mama ne say opebi akoma ne nua beya o e chire hoyi the sainty on be friend number C 026398380 and I said 05407851010 me pacho open Lumba ensupa ehu ensembia dia betinya koye website e wo www.lumbainsupa.com obenya eho akade nyina e wo ho Lumba Insupa natural mineral water get a grip with that super brain FDA aji edwedie nkratwe atum
Minia femme waso ene wo mre kakra na menka DLFM Plaza Hotels wasem tia one trail se wo pebe bia ye meetings and conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels were very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e kom deal na wo pebe bi ya obenya duane a emu ode na emu ohwam na pomudin wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa metre abodwonsa ya so bogo mi na se ni pedue mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia menhwe be bia se DLFM Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a memma and a man to Mrs. Wantrini. A fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Ahomikawum, nebe sheku amawaniaje, Echegusa, DLFM Event Center, DLFM Plaza Hotels, Edine Papa, Inipadem. Buso into Saope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wa sumdwe dia. Ya bia ya punama. Afe ya wa 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wa busfia abetinemu for a limited period. Afe sheshe DLFM Plaza Hotel. Echwa kwan ewo abotan so ene atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so behuyen wa hwerase. Ye ne fire service station no ene di nhwanimu. Se wo kwa denta. Ye ofrafra ha ubetumi afre yen ewo homayi so 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@DLFM-plazahotel.com. Website www.DLFM-plazahotel.com. DLFM Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Adi mumpo ya dia tu bebia. Afe no de fuaba. Usukra me do ya dia. Chale manyo na nyijimi. Boya dia tu bebia. Afe no de fuaba. Usukra me do ya dia. Chale manyo sa jijifu. Epuche. Jamene ya sa mi fa mi go ya bu. Epuche. Tisasa. Bewa femio. Diena mi wi. Brazil ya di musica e jana grafos. Adiena mi tia. Grafos. Ma todo mo mi di makuma e dia bron grafos. Adiena mi wi. Grafos. Ba Brazil ya di musica e jana grafos. Adiena mi tia. Grafos. Ma todo mo mi di makuma e dia bron grafos. Don't come in play. Namina Bantia. Because I'm in your boy. When you're tea, a punchy. Order coming back. Namina Bantia. Because I'm in your boy. When you're tea, a punchy. Epuche. 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 Tisasa, bewa ferio, onyadimu, usujam na mimi moto, onyadimu, usujam na mimi meko, epuche, yamene yosa ujamia miko yapo, epuche, sesa, bewa ferio, epuche. Usumia mi korea bua epuche tisemwa bewa ferio Anidaso Wɔhɔ ya DLFM 106.9 Ebia mi bisa adia kra akwanya dia mia
DLFM 106.9
Minutes after 8, 106.9, Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Midima for Heba Clinic, Samin Control. The area with the Chia Winyara, Sandra. Last stop. I am Midima for Heba Clinic. Dr. Time with us up. Focus on my round. I am the brand for you and Twasium for my. Our last stop. Dr. Time with us up. 0244 774 282. Because experience the ultimate in comfort and luxury. Your Fosso Plaza Hotel, where luxury meets comfort. Your Cofrodia, at the German after boat transfer. I'm ready to say, I didn't talk for her. Your Fosso Plaza Hotel. comfortable and luxurious rooms for home. Our events grounds for all your events. Swimming pool for your relaxation. When it's your Fosu Plaza Hotel. Now if you want so bad, I bet you go home. So all work and no play. Jacket or boy. I thought that was so to me relax one. Your Fosu Plaza Hotel. Where luxury meets comfort. Come for the amount. Also from Penny Fana for your reservation 05304 58834 020 79 79461. 21 minutes after 8 a.m. here. Special good morning and come out. This is Priscilla for soup. What up, Brody? Hey. Class prophet at Tenasel. Shraba Quadio Samibi, Coffee Taylor, this Macadu side, and so happy. Did you marry the for social media and so join you live on Facebook? About what shall link it up. For Frobin so to me, I be and there and a pay. Thank you to Lumba in supernatural and WhatsApp. The discussions near the brow. I didn't wear free daddy Lumba. I didn't say a puchet. Then you we a puchet. What? I have a member for Aquaba 106.9, 22 minutes after 8 a.m. here and still a higher deal 106.9 megahertz. Is your back Quadio Samibi and a pay at Nassim? Me when I feel me Makojo. Me Quadio, Magio.
Yeah, me Joseph Bracobra.
Bibia Boko, dear. What you know now, Bono, a puchet.
Minimum Matia, but me shut down lyrics and
won't tell lyrics, no.
Me shut down downloading me, and I said me born one of
Shada Kuti, Shada Tien Ye Pa. At the Papa Pie, dear true baby. Fain or therefore be Kwani, sir. A puchet. That do my numa or throw your back on no. And I love this song so much. A puchet. What you say, watch him?
Major opening.
Coffee, good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
And Bismarck, good morning.
Good morning.
Right. And I pay you dim come and come my year, do you know? A yadia was here. Near Kanwasam. Now we're main it to me fun into my pefram. Now, could you and I pay and come on me pass here, no? A yadia air coswo and a hard drink papa. And now Benham Cromwell when I'm a drawaway, and I'm a drawaway, me ton quadro. Me ton one way driba mampele santrele one na me ton tinkalo na me ton way o for catch I say what is a lot of noise e wo kroma and your ton way we ya be ma na be no madro ya e be mo tumi agina so modern bo be kedura e ya de e ha adwene papa isha ba kwadwo sa me bia no pay Ghana 40
yeah black obra me na wase na yemfa nchia me tie fo anopo mutie wo hwa asem da pono so titiri wo fa niam ahodo aye na ekoso e wo ma yimu asese be Obia ni tumi obetumi e de ase ho kwan enura ahodo aye nianom titiri ni samramafo no aye omotonton wo ma anim ono mo firi Burkina ne amama ahodo Niger ne ade eba Ghana hanom ese sa na ye frɛ mo ye frɛ mo samramafo na meboa enye sa
mudi ano sa ye no arum samramafo
sa na ye mete sa mo frɛ wo bon se na wo bi kobrane bi na ase pepra na bibia wafu a wakyekede na obubuton e de manipa okrum ha yese ko pese o tadua mu ye den na wato ene ade tontom amanfo toto no mu okrum ha
manpower
na aya na minim edu ba bia ye ne Ghana fon se ya minim de ye yade aye agye minim de ye pe because one ese mo apo mu den hu hia ho de dikan enye bibia na ese wo de usikato bibi wo de che okra ese wo gye na sa anko for mo fa hin na ba kurum a
oya na ba so di video bi aba
eti ai over Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 ya. Sa ankro ko fura mo fa he fa na eba. Ahu se dan sen beto dwa se omo tonton e na boys ni be chi wo na maka asade no say e yadura mpa mo no ma boy adwuma mo no na nya hwe ade.
Okay, so join you live on Facebook, DLFM 106.9 live on Facebook. Na bra behwe nsama ye kan opay. Because so video no da so no.
Opening betime rolling no manakwa.
So rolling video no na fe ye hwe dia ekos one opay. Video no and that your screen so no live on Facebook join ye. Na fe no pay nkoma ye die no. Ye ntie ye pa. So kwajo run your true video.
Drone bi na eda hwe. Wa kasa hwe basket bi esi ho a. Ya hyehye ne magum so obi okwa akoton kerosene. Tete no ekurase. Okwa akoton kerosene na munim.
Ekurase friend crazy.
Aha. Munse ne won kanea bi. Na bobo. Aha, ne ade before ansa lenten ne ho ne mama be ka ho a. Sa ne ma we. Na no mudugum bubu sa kerosene ne ade a. Ebi na wo ma akobra ne odi agum no bubu ton. Yenima de kura poti ewom say ya tire say ya den say ya deba ade a. E na moton di mani pa okrum a. Omune nam okomia bebre na ya de ekoso. But I say ye hu obia ase tumi hye ne nsem ase wotu hu na mo ama yen. Because enim say asaya ba akopɛ ene tumi ma ho kwan sɛ nneɛma hodo akɔ ne padua mu no wɔn betumi agi atum ansana kɔblane watimi dia kɔ ne padua mu nsu a yɛ no mokra no sa pilify one no kwampo no giso mo gitum ansa.
Okay.
Nwura yɛ nom ene nnuane a yɛ die nyinaa no sɛ ehu ne sɛ wo tumi krata license ansana watimi atom. Na adenti na yɛ nso so o mama no nso no bibia a ebehu bia yɛ tɔi. Ade odi ma wa no mi bibia na ho se conditions se mpo na wo ho hwi ni ho bibia na oba kenkan ya kira wo se kura mimu ni sei mimu no dodo se kura na mennom na da korokura mennom na how many times within the day che say obuma wa no ansa wo de agu anu adenti apese o tadua mu ye den na wakoto anom yimini ni papi makono no munure no mbe ma no obi de ho no ma SMS enkonanim bio. Oh yes ekoso obu an be ma ese ene sebe na adwum ye no ne hwe ano etu abom na ese case onyale twu nanso enkona nimu bio
case
we be case 15.
Okay.
Eso 5 no de eboro sa.
Okay.
Ene fu akobra na anim se mo hu videos ahodo dodo na ye niam ahodo a edukọ ni paduam emo ayen ede na ye gye sebe sawo no oba ada na waka kire wo so o madem ba nsuani na wa ho de na betumi anu ma no ko ne ba bia eye force walusu match ben openi ede match ben ya debi you see sawo ya de a ohun kwaere sabia na yam penduro mawo na doctors ne hwew enkyerechire bi kwa wadidiem ebi kura ye stress because oba na be ma omadem mo nsuani ne ma pi na ka ho ebi ono ma wadidiem nye bra wadidi nuane a wudi
edro na eda Facebook no so ene ede agu take away park so na take away park no ena ne no
ebe na ena ne sei.
And it's very, very serious.
Poisonous chemicals na mudi agu na motonton no. Na motonton mani panom no. Enti wo na so sure.
Yete me dasi abra ne ama yakura so.
Obeto bibini obeto anom. Obeto anom. Onim. Ma woka saa mranti we yasem kura to nchen ya. Ade ba kwa na ye me yapa ba kome ye me yapa ba kone se. Ma foka. Ma twa ticket. Se express e condition car na metim anasa bus na metim no na me kokumase takrade na kwabane asure gina car nim tede pa adentia o agro hu dewu e wa car nim
o ma de hye me wadru
a ade nyankopon wan kwafo trotro na wo pa wasum dwenti obia wo babia wo fira wo ba obi wakura make say no on feel fine into bab car obetena mu at least obenya na somo dwe kakra dede bia ne pinso bia nkoso na wunu akotwa 7 wo VIP mu no wayi nani na esi fa ne ho kakra na kwabane asore agirem o ma de hia me waduro wa dede kanim he edure kitani yenim ba bia firi se firi hin fa se Food and Drugs Authority mpanifo na se drug board fo ama na kwanya se wonton yenim da na ogina ka mu dede
anu kwa one thing se eduro ba ko no esayare be 40
na nsa 40 sen ebesa. You see, Food and Drugs Authority penny for the Krata Bontain. That was 18th July 2008. 2008. No, number 2 or my name say. emra ma ho kwan se obi kura tumi koton oduro ewo kwan ho ana bus ana car mu wo manyim yemi say ye ho say enkoso ana
ekoso pa na den no mo ye fa ho
ka akora afiri ache mota kwa akora akra ahomache ama adwadi fontiti mu no na kobrane ahya se eton adrum anopa tututututu de ukaka yes especially omo nso amota ka nyame asem o kai mu no aya na du ba bia menteni pani bia ukaka yes wota nyame asem sai me no ye bayifo ukaka pe be ka se wo ye bayifo o kai nim obi pe na osomdwe wafo bass tena mu no obi de saa kopum to ba ko du kuma ase e de ba de a e ka sen
e de ade a
ha e ka sen ye betie tie mu saa wo bass ni mu sabi ye fa ni se no smas mpo on hye bi da otutu nteso gu amanfo wa kan mu ukaka sese ya se sew asema beto no ye be ka se saa mi kro ye bayifo ne ho hyehye no nti no o kaseti ano no ma bi wo ho no ma ya mo ma ye nyai edwa mu mai ton ade a omunya so nton oba kwadwom a oton ade na obi di speaker akwakosi oba ne ne ma ne ho pɛ ne obogya mu a chamai tese obi to ade akura bisa na kura onte wo kaka pɛ yesu ye bayifo eka sen enti ye nyina ye nkwa so de nyame asɛm na mo nka nkyerɛ yen ye betuma nyame dwuma kwan papa so ni ma bi ho no ma otete obi fa ba ko be obi afa ne se nuisance e wo mrem sa nuisance no sa uye de titi obi abraba otumeti utum I'm telling you ye tumeti wadu utu afiase ba se o man edu ba bi ne ma bi edi agro too much ejaja ya hu no obi aye de ope ofo ka hu ni asomdwe de obi ape na oye wom na drivers ni mi su menim o mu usia na mamaduro ni bi na o magye nti asa mo so mo bribe se de anyo e ka sen pasi nya afo ka oni asomdwe wa ka nim tete nko a akosi ne nduro emre ma ho kwan ye ton manipa na mo nso aya mentem ase mimi se chama me tuai me foka na metima cha mimi fi me no time o unia me twa me 7 na me hye wa me kwa me wa kwa na me fa ho kra but muma ye nyai Ghana ni na metu no fo so oton no wanto a obejai ade bia ye ton aye nto no adwuma na egu uye business na nkoso a so obejai muma ye nyai ye wo pharmacy wo ho ye wo drugstores ahodo wo manyim kobla ne nkoda obetwen na de obi de wakekera bo na chi sese bi obi akosa koko ewo nwure ma ode kwa aboye no eno no wope fofu lenti edo na wato no say spelling date wo ho say bi ne ho ono ankaze mpo ni ani no wakenkan hu de ono wakoto no de ne nkwa to esen ho eni papi ewu enam nu bone ayetonom ye besere it's about time say mpanifu aka say mra ema ho kwan
and kwadwo mentwa wa no sandro ya de da screen so one particular place ya tied ko pa ye fitamu o ko mechanic shops out e di ndro ko honom and in the name say oh menuma be mama gina so metu
na ka jo say osisi ni ade na adwumaden nti no pese osisi mo ye den na adwuma na yakotokoto na sore sore ya me de ye betu Ghana ni fo sa o pa adura beboa wa adura beboa wa nkasa ni padua titiru pa no kra no eye se de obo obrafa titiru ye didie bread deda e bread didie nuane aye de nutrient be na wom na esese anya hwekro obi atumi ne personal doctor at least obetumi advice from time to time woman na do ho akware sabia akwahwe apomudim yenye bibia na atode agu ni paduam ye kunkum ye ho na ye nim ni papi ewuwu ewo mra ono anka se onim so no na akoto poison bi ne wanom muma yenyan nkwanche ne matato titire aduro de chaman se obeto bibia wo kwan ho ade na nya aduro ye no makwa ni paduam kwablane na ono woton aduro no onko pharmacy school onima ni tina ba medicine e na woton ama wo e na so akoto na wonom ese wanka sa no medem e kamenko dia because
no crab sa chiro but you men fan say be fa ba kwa wi ba kwa no pa ba kwa nwum
ono wonim edoko de ma okro nim de ye ene sunsun sanso you see empeni for the krata by say o man mreti antimunyai sanso na GPRT empeni for the by 28 February 2018 se mo bia nkoto aduro kam o man mreti a o mososo nhye ni tiasa yemi se won sasa atna enkoso ana because obi antu ho ana mo me de passengers no edu ba bia mo nkasa yenkase mo obi nton ade na mom wo beton akọ ba bi na koton enya ka mu ahomache a obi asoda ahomache a okọ ni dwam a ofa na asomdwe no na akwati etem agu no so enya fine untu kwan kọ ba bi foforo o ma foforo bi so sai sabi awia keta ban ba ye 12 pm na kwabra ne tika mu a na obi tumi preach san hu nyina fi free wa kan nim eka sen yes nyame asem na yempo no enya right you can say nuisance o man mla netia yetumi chiutum it's about time say mu bitumi mamla ne ya adwuma ne ya chi nipa ne bitum na ye de yensa na ho fe ema na wadwam ne bra kwabna wo yi ndura asem free wono ma edu be na me wure ho because okwa bobloshi market woni me bia chairman me say wo kasa wo bi hu say wo to ade a onti o yetumi bia speaker ne mani si na sofo na preacher we no wese biem volume ni nyina na de nwuma wo bo no wo kaka se won lo wa no kra na wo ye bayifo jadi na wo di dwa odwane mu no oni aso na ogukura bisa na sam kra wate wo kaka wo ye bayifo e ka sen mama yensusu at least ye betumi lo wa volume ni kakra enye babia keke ene ye gina sa dede ne ade a e ka sen timi ne ye besere sa ka mu ndo tonton ne sa sam na mafo sa sam na mafo no eye mo na moto ntira kamu gya eto a chairman eto betwa e free na ekọ ukotena bus mu no bi begina be dede ka chance won si form driver no mon sese mon kan che driver ne so ma nipa ne si enye ka ne enye dwade bia na obeto aduro wa ka nim
kan mu nya drugstore
dabi
enye pharmacy shop
mon kan che shenkan ne se on si nipa no so we twene ticket ne wo kon so a on tena mu din kan mu nya dwade bia eye too much mo ma nipa bi hu hia ya sa ka kan se si a na edidi watem it's not fine eyo man mra e ma ho kwan say yes ade no ntime dia mesere titiri nyina sie ne na so me nkwatena ka mu nkoto aduro me nto me nya aduro a me ko ida pharmacy ana se drugstore akwa akoto a manhu se aduro a mato yi no nurse ni no te ya no se me ko nurse chena bibia nkwe ya me san akono ho because the door auto no me ya wo ko ese tunsan so bone ba enipo na auto ma no ko hia ne hen na mu ko kumas na auto no waka enim ndi se ebia wakonom na se ho wa battery a uko hunu wa hin wa ko bisa ne ho ase ya fa nkwa adwen mi
right ko me da papa 37 minutes after 8 a.m. here Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia Kofi for Mike na meet you pay
Hitman, good morning once again.
Good morning Kofi.
Hitman, Niama boys to indru te duaden den indru ni ade no. So mo be me mo be den no ma boy adwuma wo mpam ni nyina ye emaya. They are the cause of it. Because Hitman, only oba kompam na unua 2 minutes pay. Unua waso be hye. Ene e be twa wada pasa. Eno na ma boys ne yesa. But you see, one thing these niggas need me say, Hitman, she udi obechi ekoto eduru ebe ma obe me ma ye den a unu anhwe abe wage again. Ube wage again na ma we ye ase cramp no Saturday no cramp ho cramp no benya boy foforo. Obe twiti ni ye pa, a obe pim ni ye. You understand? But me no ye koye be nyina no. Hit na nshira ba ka say unim so me examine mafu and so me ifu
omunye Ghana for
but all the time these people when you see them they be almost set yellow a tight papa they be almost set yellow togo shirt TB yellow na ne down also no pampe say skinny say they be also hanging when you see them enti me who video no na I thought say attire until say ye shiegu take away pack no so and na mu say no unia we na se be maybe nim no okotobi no okonom onya akonum se kin ne nsunu nyina da jem and you see these things makes we see say I say the security a weak be when it comes to the border side no
Ghana Immigration Service
yes I say a week be and you know these people nam kromo mo ton drone ade and na insira kan kemu especially Kumasi cars Kumasi ka bienu amenfo da mi hu say ye ton aduro mu da aje say bia sa ade na mi ko Kumasi no me ame de me fa me ame car na ko ya manfa passenger car Hitman say obefa say etiasi ye befa passenger car nko ade unya fa passenger car say wo ko sunyane Kumasi emfa Hitman omu dinemu ton aduro obedinemu akasasa fiti circle no aba besi won sanwem ebi mu kura timi trans sanwem besi wolenda door the last time I no papa no see why ejuso you see and I ask myself say nipa betina kem nipa dwene ne ho unia nsɛm ebre na ɛbɔ fa nipa tirim a waba bɛtena kem na emu dede ɛna wonu meduro na ɛbɛma abɛn ma yɛ den ɛna woni ɔba akɔ mpam so a ɛnya ade a wani begu ase da ɛno na ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔ bɛma unia bɛma bia Nyankopɔn bɔ wakwa first round wakwa 5 minutes and there's no lie about this wakwa 5 minutes and mo bia ndada wo da
right
se koto aduro num na wo koto aduro no sunum dia wan hwe yi a onsuru nyina bedegem ebi na edi egu take away park so enane and it was say food and drugs authority for so mom so because this is very very serious
serious
and a hitman omunam krom and they know say these people enam krom omuton
and then omo ya found
they know enye so omunim they know omunim pa omunim especially Accra omunim pa nanso aso mebu mani egu so e wo so omomo ohum so
Mate me das Kofi Bismarck. Ma minti wa no pay.
Oh me das ma minti Ghana full. Bra komra it all boils down to say on my way rules and as law enforcement no form. It sounds dwumade bi edi okumo bia ye omra a governor de kodie no. But because of lack of law enforcement intino Obia timi e de ope.
Okay.
Ope say yamfa say oye oye dwuma ku bi na o produce nura ye waso ye a obekọ ye be vet nuru no ye wi a na say eye na ebetimi aiden ebetimi aboa nipa pomudi a ya jatum nti o food and drugs authority o aside o mkrampo ya Ghana standard authority mfuo dwuma de bia bibi bia de beba abonten ye for human consumption bia na e was standard bia o say edu nti anu a mpanifo anjintu enti na dodo na abehun se enuane de ediko enu ene enuane ya ediko emu ni enu a yenom ko emu no ye advert bi o mo say this advertisement is vetted and approved by FDA.
Yes.
Omo kwam ya vet ade na mo ma je atum se good say nipa ba den e be dia ko mu ba emu si an say ye papa no ne maame no ma titiri wo ma moton nu o ka mu information centers ahodo any o mo kika won because of omo anya big company bi anti no target ni omo so but these are the people who are killing us aside say omo ni big pharmaceutical companies no e bia nurse bi ana say pharmacists bi ni negligence ana say ni ignorance inti no ne bia wako abuse obi with drugs sa man is there's no about the big pharmaceutical companies omo kumu ano omo nkoje license omo yema omo permit omo pretty okumu a enti ye nuanom ya na se ya maame ne ya papa mo omo ton no no oka mu ne information centers awodo be mu se onse yenhu omo ana eni ye ka Kumasi cars menya Kumasi just go to Madina I mean lorry stations e okumu a go there sa ayi town running trust kinijina ubon say wenya a day who just go there to do your survey a day wenya be share different people about 10 I will be a kitenu and no fufro na eze crowd here omo be megaphone ade there mema drone kwa ube be TV station just a radio so mema drone kwa menim say eze mema I don't know
manpower
etimesre FDA for any Ghana standard authority omo enforce law no enya se wa hemra ne keke se ya hemra na ye gumu keke wa hwe na say you have to see to it say emra ne ye di so bra kom na
right me that say 44 minutes after 8 a.m. ya na pay ye di nkomo nru ye ton wo krom a ya approved by FDA and no be me twadro we wo ba for car wo ba for bus na ye tondro e wo bus ma enya approved by the FDA na ma wo friend ya 0593 40 6565 0534 050 199 yedi nkomo ewo Anidaso Wɔhɔ bia dwumadi so. Good morning.
Hitman.
Yes sir.
Bibia bako de.
What's the me ho ya ma minti wa no pay.
O nyango pardon bibia me na so pa. Hitman. Ade ba ko a me ha me no. And say o de ko East Lagos police station. East Lagos police station no opposite to be Edaho. Boys be a on my main castle rasters in yet. But all my young boys, all my rasters in Kwa. I know we want Obia and on my bonnet, on my bot tent. Me tent, you know. Even do all. Omo asise eno ene drink agugu ni emam botu mo omo yeden omo ton police po ekọ yeden ekotobi soldiers po ekotobi sa drink no Hitman say wo udigu olumu a 1 minute 2 minutes 9 what is here eti me no my we say ni there ubeka tikura beden ebe ya
what's the matter
say obi timi sia o no I wait ni joy for no etimi sia no obi sa say o pere ma me meje yere ma na me ko eden okay ani no so abaga na nyina no ni nyina na ememadu adai
right me that say good morning.
Yeah, good morning. What are your invitation?
Of a mammy to one pay.
Yeah, because there was a time, some cover flight one Niger. Paracetamol, a new pack back crowd, ever me back, massa. I dear what the year more memo on one. Me, me no me on some Nikita say parano. And so, Niger phone in Namkroma. When in Namkura and draw a Now, me how me can say, AM into a many chroma for noise making. Massa, would do chroma? What blooms was a bridge out, quench enough from a bridge and baby na quench so to come out of our Cocrum na correct nice and walk. Obi what speakers no apopo say obi oton even near market to be popcorn cry not the speakers who na oyigede. Oh, Oma Beni.
Right of fire yen so yeah that's say and a yen chow AJ baby who hear Jumedio no. Good morning.
Good morning, DJ Hitman.
Brave man up what home to say my mean to you.
It's why I'm not one I'm also
yeah who your papa.
Damascene Jumapa Mobo. Now back when American say it's my yana omobo or so a Jumni idea. A man almost out Nyasam Ketua. Hitman, as a way dear, there's a Oka Hoshe, in a free a drove for no. Now the Omo Pine say, Adoro Yazo, Magani Yazo. If you Omnia show, and I say, Uja, hope any ma, Omobatama, and any Oko Mudia, any on the Chidasm. Ghana, the Maca say, Ubia, and then and sending some motion who's ye.
Right
now, I don't want to Drasto and answer hospital. It's more going to us, man.
Bro, for me, that's an pay. Good morning.
Fine morning,
me about your first saying.
I'm a tamper ball from Plan.
Family, my mean to want to pay.
Only the person. Mr. Yeah, Bamba from normal boy, your mobile. The secret is normal boy of mine. Mother, one more can say, one more somewhere with any view. Because Sani Jeff from Palermo, boy, when you almost on basket. You be all, me one dance and one picture to crowd on the phone. One more time, I red, ni blue, ni green, and my name about a step by now. What I said. As woman and Namu, I said, they care about your own Buba. I want to 5 to the first woman a year or so on. What I say, and then answer will be better men Pabua. What I say, no, or who said you to Bubuman or Mano, 3 city or 200, 4 city, never the 1 city come and turn up 1 80.
Right.
What I say.
But I say, good morning.
Fine morning.
Me about your first saying.
I don't question it for Tema, alias Aputo.
Mammy to want to pay.
Never someone ready my palm with your papa. I say, with the A will become, say, Uti Kamuna pasta, a bed ground so friend who pasta. No bed draka muno yet the day go asu. A year dear lies me, a year I saw them no what make up to one to say they come, suddenly say, if you because a yet or you should not stop a correction. Or by this car, or this man of a them. Or this car gunu, any secondly, go for no motor side, don't know what in them. Masa, me say, casino on Munano because the Obuka say, Minya Pion also where Drummers over there drew.
no ti me o mi no kra po e bro ye di chima kra me ntobi asana side mo sa ka for no say e for na mu for kra ga na ha e for pa immigration no omo ye very weak ana dey na e ko
right Abuto yeah that's it Haji Lumba says this one here on the show also watching you live from Weja SCC. God bless you all. DLFM working good morning. Me patcho ye ho ye papa pa ye fro say I mean to no pay
Master Moske Makai and young guy did the and they reported me to authorities. You didn't call court. They say I have no right to allow someone to disturb the driver nor disturb the passengers inside the car. I was fined 150 pesos. Well, I said 277, 78. I think they were that, but I'm not going and they put on a
right. You, that's the chat telephone now. Good morning.
Good morning, Black Abraham.
Me patcho Abbas Austin Kwaku 49. Wo breni yankoi.
Black Abraham, me mama say. Black Abraham, me bisa say Ghana ha Food and Drug Authority. You will be wahana. You will be wahapa. No, not on Kenya. Me say bisa say you were custom officers. Ewa Ghana ha na. The question is you know. Nye ntia me bisa say. Sabi Niger for Malians any oma sabi omu tiri hu so katoka ni omu body so katoka na edu season a omu ba Ghana ha ebeton nuro no aya omu fa he na eba na Food and Drug Authority so sabi Ghana ha se me 49 me ton waduro na me ni license a ana me fan ko Food and Drug Authority a metimi aton ana enso san ko authority mi ba Ghana ha just say what you want to say in thousands and on Ghana ha ebe to nro wa bra Food and Drug Authority wa bra ya custom me intina me busa say ye wo bia na say ye wo bi de na mesere omun sori no omun adwuma na Ghana man bre e wo sa no man ni bre o bi ya mu yi enya adura ni pe no makwa ni yam ani edigu take away so a e na ni na we ko gu yam a
right. For now, yeah, that's Papa 0593406565. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba choma ne so kakra ma me fro say.
I say Femi Eric.
I mean to Eric.
Ghana youth no you hu de ye ji. Abranti a wati so. What me kotor dre be me be ma mu ayedi. Now ne oba akoda. Ye bia ye blame place for me blame we mu ya na ye ha ye hu onim se de o ye no ye o ku ne hu nso so o ye Obia was ya na kasa Ghana ya ye free ya ye mu bi ni ye bi en se be sia kasa Ghana den na ye youth ye ha ye hu sa
right
and a second omo mu gina ka mu e treat na omo mu ton ade bra ya ye free kuma sene be ku ni na ye ko fie ni ya so kana ye omo ye ni ka mu ana no Oko kana ye so far yes bre ye by for adunu so a wonhu adunu din enso so to adu ko kan wanya se
yo mate Nyankopon enka won so ho papa se anope watumi afre good morning
ne kwamana
oba ya jiwa
ma bra kasa ma ya ji aboso sa dem ma ni bi nwuram
me ba jo wa ba wura mu bre ni yenkwai
anope de wa bojuma ma me na mu nyina ase the American is a Food and Drugs Board for no. Only na ni mu say enuro ni bebre wadwama so a enye enso won gi mu sikadi na won ma won license no hwe drinks ya bai wo de on mesa bi no san contesting hwe eno de ku ni patochum esen crofo kidney on liver sa drinks na aba na manfo gusu a ye no mo yo no o 60 echi anu order ni na won timi kwabro kire nko yes ade we yo ya be chi watum enti company fo na data no na won wonye won adwuma yie no won nyina nke asake won nim pa enso no won abu won ni agusu bo so me so anu won wade akatua edro ya zofui won ye na Ghana won ba kurom anye ne enso ye ntimi mpam won One will buy in bulk, and on with the back and on fan on waba. One will not bother so, and on waba. And as the one for you, Mukranyaka, Moon on Tran on the ABPA. I didn't know Bedu I enter to one. Amy saw on Sapipa way. Only a Togoha, and now quite behind. Now, see, and Yamisa Laxipase when you be amount. Although Bishop. And so Ghana, there be a plot also be a to me be Jenny or Power Memo, no assign it in Woko. And then Rea come Medri, some Memayana Motonum. Sama and no more. One be jay. Mon no more nothing, who will not say more cata. And I may no more drone, and I mean who will not mean to many Mayerena. One ass amount. Yama many a papa, and one no more droda, and so my papa will 40 something. Oh. I don't know more how to answer. One way and a month, I won't be jay. Only Yamin.
Auntie Maggie Yankopon and Cat was so home. Good morning.
Good morning, me right.
Ravens and I'll pay what pump to say.
Yamia Dumo now so.
Yamia Dumia, who your papa.
Yeah, Mekoso, Abomwa, so Minchia, Auntie Maggie. Me right, man. Or mine no Nipanu be brain, dear Woffo. Would the young funny say, immigration for a Jawa Mabiku. Say, Mimi Tihe, Gawoni or no tongue with Drew. Dear school no wakwa or no Mekwa dress Gawoni. Say, young Kota, on for some femme. Omaya Yetimu beat me betna television to say or double sika. No obi the bear 5,000, 50 million old Ghana or the woman is a double mammy. Said what do you need, Juma? Onipa no tongue with Drew amount. Shall no one or they tongue with Drew. Ghana for her. Omana Yetim no say the any better. Yam penning for Nsunia idea. You be word your mind of one casa found Pato Wabra Bon. In your drawing on the end. Me rounding, I mean, you.
Ravens Yankopon and Cat also want to pay. Good morning.
Good morning, Braffany.
Me about your first time.
But I'm sure my girl, Casa Feel Baby.
I'll be my minty one to pay.
But I don't have so many dear. Me, oh, now, baby, I'm a who dress, I'm a say, bra. Look at the fuck I'm in the day. Now, man, you be a friend, Drew. It's young, me as on my diet. That's it.
Yeah, so yeah, that's a papa. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Me about your first saying.
Hitman, theatre.
And I'll pay me the meeting to you. My meeting one to pay.
Hitman, I mean, someone need my palm over. If you say, there be a campaign for no muti moi, and the mother by radio, so I didn't you know. Come or man wanka babwapa because they be in the mapa in the mother bank ya munti no mumfemu your friends and the power no more man. Hitman, ya dim painful be si wo mo esenka e cheduma die we nyina no one e hwe se obi beton edura na se obi ton edura na obi kan sempa kra wo kan one eduma se oye ya do man esi wo se wo waduma ni ni yenya ye na mi se omo nhwe ma ne nkoso ntimpempo ye sere wa ye di dwumadi a hye onsa e se wo hwe wutu hu anamo no omo nhwe na omo ntu hu anamo na mo aye nyina Hitman na mi hwa mo ne pa de bia mo de blend
right you have a final call and after no pay you for nc Majo
Majo me ya etede
me ba cho me hu ya papa ya fro say
bra kwa me dodowa
you mami tio
me ya sa edroya mbemba tiktok ke yo mo no de na wo do paye se ba na mo no mo kada e ba ya na mo ba mbemba tiktok ke do e ba ya na mo ba mbemba tiktok ke do ne ahodi ala me dia mama to yo ba na te me kata ba wa do na me no te ahodi de na me dia mama no na me yi sura ta so won pa for and by force bi job e tete be ko to di ko na ndo ku be de pedia na cha wa papa wale ya last me na be theater ko ko ni me tika on na that dem na be tika no ka di na kwa o du me tiaro ona ka tem so wo me do na me te de me or 7 by 4 to 7 to by 4 na me se ma ta others me se me to then o di myself but that is any paper wa Kwansha akabaya di anje.
Debi menya di anje. Wo ya di anya by bebem. Police bebem na nsam no akoye bibi o honom. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your friend say
Prophet and Saseta.
Yeah, Prophet. I mean you. 20 seconds yanko.
No me ra oh. Yeah. Oman say duabo. Say deyu. Ena me nyebi be kan no. Also nipa Ghana we nipa 500 a 10 pe na nko school. Na ukoto se nipa na also to adu. Hwe no ho. Ma me ka 7 man tema me wo. Ma bi so de sa edu bi kokai mu. Na embai awo mu fa ya kata karo. No mfana komalo. Na wa yam hintia. No da so bo France afani keep am him kwa be ma me hihire. Enso bebi a me wo no enso me simi so me wodi shrod mi. Nke bi abo. Eye bi abo no man no ewum bi enhwe ni ade kotikia. O man ya yesanye enso ma no nse awodi ni sunsuma nim ena ewura mi mu. Na da foye. Nka bo fa ni be fa na ase. Ya ni bia ni kan forever.
Yo.
Nso wo.
Mate.
Mate. No le fa fakiti na so okay. Man to mo. Eye bi abo.
Mate. Prophet and Saturday, Aguna Soda no pay. Thank you so much for calling into the show. Yeah, but also I was here. Kwajo, Ghana for Akasa. No man make you my point. In Raya, no man Raya to. Ya no go ye whip need paduemu. Ya dia. Asfem. Kwajo yako.
Yeah, Black or Brian net here for us, no pay. So my kind of one be do pempe so that I want that's one a bema. Bra Obono, why would that chickitawa? Enti. So what can say will be. Encantre be some man in friend room Ghana. And as mo be in friend room kwake unko 20 odi bia ba obeto de aye wa waseba.
Okay.
Sa wo kono maduro na se china oda ho na wanu twa hura. Ghana man pani John Dramani Mahama. Enyo ne ba ya sabra behwe.
Okay.
Bi kwa na kapre. Wo gida metrisre. Enti ebesre ye nia enwene enko akire ni yenhu ni se bia ya ma ye kwan se yenko to aduro ni mpo no. Eno kora mpo no. Bra ko bra ndimi se even drugstore. Anasa pharmacy mpo. Ansa na nkaba kwato adu no kura no nke di kan na se udi kan kwa yare sabia na kwa hwa pom dim na doctor kura tumi sanya se se wo osimesi yade se ne how enti kwa na kwato adu we
oje prescription.
I'm telling you nka yemfa ye pe nko anka sa ntumi hwe ho
and one day you be call self medication in Ghana. Unim ade ba kwa ha adwene papa self medication in Ghana. Nipa ne to asa metiya me ya ene monkoto parambre me asa me ya monkoto jembre me ade ha adwene papa.
You see edura ye num ko ni padua mu na wosunsuan so ede maye
dokre
overdose betumi akum seconds even san nduro na ebe wigu ye mu no ekobwa wo kra na ase na wosunsuan so bone a esa de ma ni padua. The doctors end time fan room many papi bi wa okro betumi akere wade aye okro bi on twere se koto eduru because of them susan so was on tie besere
ana kwadwo same bi wo hwe asama chia me yankoto to pa yellow and black ni bi ma me
adanse ba na no me de ye me no me koto we na ko ye nti so koto
bi abaje opa adoni ye
woni pedia na de na ye pe na wakọ na obi akọtete busi ane eyi jama edi egu konkobim edi anwa bi afa ni dia besi ka mu se eye ontiment ene wato bi na de kwasra do anadwo aye se ukobra na obeda na de sra de be kina honam dua ye wofom wakutin abo odi krosa ebigu no munye hu heda yenyae na ye momode ama ne ma bi ehu hia ye nyae mo a mo kanyame asem godwam ni ade obi ntan obi a but at least lower machine no kama na omamo ho no so emfili so mo ye nipa na munya se tietia ma fonfa me kwatena ka mu na se ubeye sa na ma na hwe am no be ko akopese bidu because member driver ni nasiw men so so because I ade ha adwen mo ma ye nyina ye ya fam de amfo ni ntu aban so wa bo ho ban ansa na owu abefo akọ
right kodwo me da se na pay papa kovi
Hitman
yeko
me de efutu na me de be ma ye nuanu mo mema udi obechi a ahwe abewu eja no na ade na nyonko na ofa ewo de ma na ye wode a be pie dia anya wode a
mate
amansan
kodwo se
enye free wudemu a eye amansan chemfa ada nyuma na wante da na se Ghana esi esa na mebu no almost by 90%.
Onia
na mawara fo no mama will report bi almost over percentage above bonte mo mawara kro mo fo mo kru machi yes
Hitman Ghana have relationship I say multi socket
Obia plug in the phone eye
man we ye free into say wudi
no
kwena le kan Hitman no kwena me kan sanity Ghana have relationship say you say on kwa na ugine mu dia and onu ya forget and on kwa na ugine
I see
I say multi socket no and man akoma I say your plant here wa hai esopa etimi contain ni ama enti unu ya say o ka say wudi oba bi achi no makonum teduade ndi aduro dia waso be yese
I see
anhwe abewu agya no we yase krampo na ye be ye ne ho adwuma
yo
intima wani na ho na didi yie o pese o bo adwuma won pema didi yie di fruit avoid too much of sugar and the sugar be maso the sugar bebrebe wo de ye den udi sugar bebre we free therapy na me de mom udi sugar bebre a unia
ye bre ti pharmacy
there be ma me fa mom ye me nua mema ma me fa mom but udi fruit more
ye bre na so
edu de me de besi
fasi Bismarck yakọ
akọ na yenchia Ghana friend o massive from 6 to 9 there na yakọ de futu ne de mo bibia say srew mo titiri ne gaw fo no oma omuni
some be say from zamana
mafo oma omuni license bi omo operate say omo tondro na afi nzo no mo sabi mo ye herbal medicines and so no mo fa the proper channel the right channel na mo ko register na yen jintum se na be ya o tondro a won tete ana yen so I consuming without any expect via a recommendation under Obia recommendation yesre ubetu for esan say ya dia yanum ko emu de be papa na ka che mo si yafun adi bia be ko mu bi any protection bi adi bia be ko yem bi any protection bi ntin yesre ye tu Ghana fofo say sa ne man ntwe from Mr. Hitman
right me da se papa and a question I mean me busa no Ghana Food and Drugs Authority you need to set up mo sorry one night tondro wo kroma one license any approved by the FDA yes remo mo sorry Ghana Immigration Service mo sorry Customs Excise and Prevention Customs for mo sorry na mo nya adwuma wo mai ebegina brane ebesi ya ejina menu mi no so. Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is no one to say goodbye. As I can see, Encoma executive producer, Inshaba Kwadjo Samebi, Bismarck Edu say, Eddie Agudi Musem by DJ Mario, Eddie Eko social media, and so Kofitela, Johnny Anape. You're from a Hitman. Good morning. Coswet here DLFM. Yakramo, Meko.
That's how we do. Mike.